long time, man, and then stop using it.
Yeah, man. A long time the place locked down. That's how we come and stuff to use it. Forward.
So when you say I go on and now, Candy?
But the partner me come to talk to you about. That's why me carry up here. So I like if you give me first draw.
First draw.
Because I have something to start out. I have more than one thing to start out. So I wouldn't mind you can help me. What can you do for me?
Yeah, man, that's no problem. As a matter of fact, me a piece of food in a bus, you know. Me I go get it before we grow on, so you see me? No problem, man. First draw, remember say me a friend, you know. Alright.
So differently though. You see I have new phone and things, like things that go on for you, me like it. Good. Wow. You have taste though. You got yourself, my friend. Who buy it for you?
Between me and you, you know. I want a man, them me I cannot buy for me, you know.
Alright. Okay.
So my next phone mash up and he just hurry up and buy it.
Between me and you, me and your friend. If you stop doing something there, you know, I cannot, man.
And I second down time yet. A matter of fact, let me tell you one story. Worry about them dirty man. Me did there with a man, you see? Just meet him and things, everything will turn out good. The man did married. I mean, you know. One day I go through his stuff them and I find one wedding paper. When he come from work, I ask him about it. He say no nothing. He always have baby mother out the road on this side. You know tell me, a people they walk me feel shame like a dog. All you said the man there is one woman up there and the woman three pitney them. Why you take me for? Me run him my man. Run him me shame like a dog. Me can't every time I walk on the road me have to hold on my head. That's why me have to the chapter now Candy. Me no want no man use me.
Hold on there. So you really are going to use one man fat and fry every man?
Well, and they can do. Let me tell you the full 100. You see, after me find out say me pregnant for him, that's why me did let go of country. I remember say me tell you say me pregnant. You see, after me find out say me pregnant for him, me say, he just coming like everything done right this song. Me tell him say me no want hear nothing, the relationship over and all in something. He man not have walk and trick me. Say me go do me this and do me that. But you see the good thing about it, every time he do it, me go report it up a station. Tell him say if he come out of the house, man, pack up in something them put out there so make him go on. Because if him there with one woman and the three daughters, he don't want me. He not going out there so make him stay out there, man.
You know say true? And enough of them dirty man they out there.
I tell you.
Not everyone. Some of them, but a whole heap of them they out there. Girl, me have story to tell you too.
Tell me.
This is the reason why I single. Girl, and as I say one man, if you fall in a love, so we fall out quick. You're going quick, you come out quick. Me did take up one man. Him look so innocent. Look like I'm in church boy, you know we're ready to go serve God.
Yeah.
I mean we're ready to go give my life to God, you know. You understand? And when we take up the boy, you know, me have to call them kind of man there boy, because good man now do them something. When me take him up, and me and him live, you know, mother take out everything when me have and give him. Him never have it then time they like to give me. So you know say if the man want one high cement on me, because you see to me I say I want to settle down.
Yeah.
But some man not understand settle down, then just see a road and say, you know, say I love you and Ray and they tell you how I do me want to stay forever when they know deep down they not ready to settle down.
You see? I saw them man you stay. That's why me I continue chopping now. Candy, they come in and tell we nice things because they know say that we want here. And then they have we round and round like a circle. Me not stop, girl. Anything out there when me want and a man can buy give me and pay down for what me want. Me no business. Me no business when nobody wants a chopping time. You can't settle down with them a man a Candy. Them a no good man. Me no cut you. Continue. Tell me how the rest of it go.
Yes. as maybe I tell you about the little dirty man when I did there with before. Girl, me say, if he want ice milk, me give him. Anything at all he want, me give him as long as me have it. The sun in my eye.
Anyways, Candy, me not cut you, you know. But guess what? Me want to come from around so you know. Time to find me boundary. And as me tell you, me cannot stop chop. Me understand what me go through and you understand what you go through. We are human, so guess what? You good enough Candy, but you see the heart here turn black. So I chop in non-stop. You can't settle down enough Candy. But you're a good girl, you know. Me I did good girl and me get burned. So I have to just continue this, you see me? Anyways, come on, I remember so me have the partner money for you. Watch out, Candy, watch out. One of them is a call me, you know. You see? Nah, stop chop. The next money when me have for you, it's me go call you. Hey babes, what's up? You miss me? You're a joker. You know, so me up on the road with my friend. So me if you come over your yard right now? Alright, no problem, me I come. Well, what me say? Chapins.
So, good evening. Evening, sir, right?
Yes, good evening.
Good
Or you
evening.
could say good afternoon.
So, people, Candy I beat me for a long time to come do a video with her. So,
Right.
we are here doing a video now. I'm not tell her none of the question them. I'm going to ask her. She does not know what we are going to do in this video. But I'm going to make her know and she going to know right away. Meaning, say, like, I want to just know, she just know. We want to know where Candy come from. The origin of Candy, not just the movie them. So, my first question is, how far back should I take it now? Tell me about younger days. Tell me about high school days. Which high school you used to attend?
Younger days,
Yeah man, tell me about high
like
school.
when we used to eat dumpling and butter and them.
High school!
So, you want your mommy school first or warm when they eat? Which one?
Which high school you used to attend?
Rushie's High School.
Rushie's?
Yes.
I used to be a bad people got Rushie's.
Sometimes some we bad in man and one next time we go good.
So tell
But
me,
badness not pay still.
So
Better you stay good.
so tell me about Rushie's school. What the experience like during that time?
Oh, a regular thing, regular class session. You go at like certain time you go at that session. You have different teachers for every different subjects.
So you used to live
different
from, you used to live, Negrola used to live them time?
No. Montego Bay.
So you used to live Montego Bay,
Yes.
left Montego Bay, go Rushie's?
Yeah, because I'm a Montego now. How you feel like?
Oh, so grew up with mommy and daddy?
I don't.
John no star, one more person forward in that. So.
I don't grow up with my
We
mom
have to go on the
and
two
my
of them
dad.
one time. So, the legendary Popeye, you don't know two of them from Richard Brown films. So, no, hold on, come right to us, no, man.
Oh.
John no star, where you drink?
Handicap, you know?
Alright, here we going. Popeye, which high school you used to attend?
Little London.
Little London. So, when you used to live on the girl when you got Little London High School?
Born and grew up.
London or England or London or Jamaica?
Me say, yo, you see Candy? You see
Yeah, but we have London and Jamaica too, and we have London and England. And which one of them you did go to school? Me want to know.
I try help when you get to know them outside of the movies, guys, but see, right, it rough. So, you used to attend Little London, you used to attend Rushie's. So what was
Say
school
Rushie's
like?
and don't say
Rushie's.
Rushie's.
What was school like for you? Did
Oh.
you enjoy to have one whole heap of friends and trouble you?
No. Listen, nobody not trouble me at school.
Are you trouble people?
Me not trouble them, but just when me not have no lunch, my friend them used to have to give me lunch.
Oh, so I did that kind of something sometimes?
Yeah, 'cause sometimes
Well, and
I
are you spend out the money?
Remember, say me not grow with no father. But
Okay.
sometime me used to stay with my mother. Most of my time I was with my grand aunt. But you know, sometimes if me do nothing in the yard, they don't go and give you fear for go to school, they don't give you nothing to eat. But you know, see, that's the first time people kind of have like a wicked dish in them and like a good dish. But me forgive her still.
So you like acting for any time?
Long time before me did in my mother home, she did conceive with me as an actor.
I can't
As an
manage it,
actress, a matter of fact.
Alright, we should come back over to you. Papa, talk to me now. How was school for you, high school?
Well, it was good.
They not
me
trouble
did
you or nothing?
No, but me did have to make a choice.
Did you have girlfriend in high
So
school?
you're not asking about primary?
Yeah.
Did you have girlfriend in high school?
I did have, you don't know the name, me did have 6 of them.
And you're not asking about primary?
No, you did have man in high school?
No, me couldn't do it. My
When-
grandaunt would have killed me with leak.
When you have your first boyfriend? Or man?
My first, me can't remember. A long time.
No, first time not forget so.
Yeah.
Your first. I don't want to ask you nothing about when you lose virginity, you know. when? Tell me about the first boyfriend. You have to remember, I can't.
Me can't remember. Me did want to do it and me never want to do it, but me still do it. And me want to do it and me shouldn't do it, but me do it still.
So apart from acting though, Candy, may I skip go? So we are moved from high school now, come back in our present
Yes,
life.
when
So.
time me used to do in grade 1, before me go high school or primary, me used to pick up the dirty cheese street them and the dirty chewing gum them. Because they say me grandaunt in wicked in and give me no lunch money that the time now me beg.
I feel like Candy never ever yet come out of character yet.
No, you know, he make me pick up the dirty cheese
Candy
street.
is her character though.
Listen man. You see when the dirty chewing gum them, you see pitting them with them parents when have it and then eat the chewing gum them and dash it down and it up on the road. You know once when the sun hot and it melty or it look like I say sugar in there and it's sweet. So me go pick up here and eat it with the rock stone then in there and then it fresh.
When this
no
a
sugar.
lie you tell me.
No,
not
God
believe
up at heaven, me I call your name God because you know say I chew me attack and me pick up dirty dumpling at school because sometimes they don't give me no lunch money. I chew.
Rastafari. So we are get some in on the characters them here from Richard Brown
Yes.
films. So what I call it? What they call them kind of upbringing again? Modest upbringing or humble beginnings. So both characters don't understand. Hold on, Papa. I feel like a born with gold spoon in your mouth. Tell me about
Actually, him did
how
rich
did
and he
how
did poor.
did you always have lunch money and tell them something when you go to school?
Well, me did always have,
Tell them that.
yeah, me did always have, but me have to make a choice in a grade 9.
Can I try that?
It's either work or go to school, so I just work.
Man, but so when you decide you want to do acting, you know, or a long time?
From,
As a matter of fact, from when you're rich, them are brethren.
long time, before YouTube, before
Before you're born, just say before you're born.
we born.
See them, man, pay attention to us.
I'm talk to my audience.
Right.
Me know Richie them when they start the movie, but then the time I'm there behind the scene I watch, and I say, yo, me not going to it. But then I say, you know, me want to be actor, so me I go. And see there, look at me there now.
That's that. So, apart from acting, what else you do? We know what you do already.
Me no fire them long time. Fry up a bakery and
but
sell
me
movie
say-
and whatever something.
From when you know?
Then bread ground up a bakery and so all about.
Oh,
Then they all
see.
about.
So, apart from
Long
acting,
time.
Papa I do baking. Best
I do
best
bake.
cocoa bread them in a niggles. And I think, yo, right now, they better than juicy beef cocoa bread them in a.
Exactly.
I swear to you, I'm not even make this stuff. Which part the bakery located?
Sheffield.
Which part of
Right
Sheffield?
side
Right
of the
at
church.
7-day Adventist. So you can't go over there and tip you out of focus. That's it. But anyhow, when I go and check out the cocoa bread them, so apart from acting, Mr. Papa hard at work every day. Candy, you're an entrepreneur.
Yes, long
Because
time.
you have a shop for yourself.
No say that because right
Well-
now me I look help and want somebody to help me.
Can I help you, man?
Me want help and want build something bigger in life to make all help some people who know
Oh,
how to.
I mean, I want to feel like it's a joke thing. Not because you see 100,000 views on the movie, them I feel like say, oh, millions are coming. And that's how you go. People there and them do this. They do this because they are passionate about it, and of course they want the money, but you know, whole heap. So when me hear Candy, I say she wants some help and all. Well,
Yes.
man, build up a shop or what?
I need help so I can do a little business for myself.
So you not have a shop?
No, that shop they brought down.
No, yeah, Candy, stop playing with me.
Me not play with you.
Why shop broke
When
down?
time me did, you know when my shop used to start, you can't see my shop pop down, so I need
So
to tell
pop
you.
downstairs at there?
You pop down stage that, so you must know how we did stay from the beginning.
Yeah.
Very stuff,
Yeah,
alright.
yeah,
So,
yeah,
sure.
I don't know if people might hear and them want to lend some assistance with that concern.
Well, I would
we can do that.
appreciate a fit. Thank you very much. All who support me, thank you.
So, Papa, differently though, up by bakery there. How you like it though? How is it up there? Outside of the acting, I know you're passionate about up at the bakery. How is it? Tell me about that.
Really good. I tell them, it's worth it because I can bake, I can do Italian cooking,
You can bake too, you know.
You can do Italian cooking.
I can paint,
You can paint. Like
I
bakery
can
I
do
talk about.
plumbing.
Though. Bakery I talk about though.
Oh, bakery.
So you tell me about the bakery. So that's something you enjoy as well, eh?
I love that more than anything else.
More than the acting too?
Yeah. Baking is my...
Me love acting.
No.
My acting, me I call in my sleep when me I sleep, me act too.
I respect acting, but baking is like my ball in a hit.
But I know Coco
Me a
brother.
sleep
So
and a
you bake
act.
cake and them something
I
like that?
bake fruit cake, I bake marble cake, I bake banana bread, I bake pudding, I bake gizzard, I bake anything you can get.
You never know all of them something, that's true. You
And
never
I
know.
bake the best pizza.
So you do pizza too?
Yeah, better than... I don't want to call it name, I don't want to sue me.
Better than who? Pizza
But you
Hut?
don't know that's...
Yes, don't call anyone name.
No, that one name.
Caesar?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. I never buy them. I never taste no pizza with you. You never do on pizza.
That bake you carry out here. Can they taste it already?
How it taste?
I want little piece of it give me.
How it taste? How it taste? How it
The
taste?
piece when you give me, I want little piece. And you should have give me more. You can't give me them the little piece of pizza there and it tastes so good. You're too old to order.
Alright, so I don't know what else for questions, so I feel like the audience them have a better understanding of the personality now. What high school was like, because you know so that's one integral part of your personality. High school, that's when you start there around people whole heap and some real interaction start going. So you know so that part of your life is integral when it comes on to your personality. So you will say how humble beginnings, chewing gum, and all them kind
Yes,
of
me
stuff.
pick up all the dirty cheese chips them. Me have to eat them.
Papa, I did have
when
gold
it's
spoon in
small,
my mouth.
No,
eat
I
they go
wasn't have
infant
gold
school
spoon
it like
in
you know
my
in a
mouth.
grade
What that-
one. Yeah, me pick up him man.
What
That's
that
me
you
hungry.
say?
No, I never have gold spoon. I just have family that support me to school. But one thing though, my father,
Alright people, big up on yourself and thanks for tuning in again. So see it there.
We don't talk already.
You have more things that you want to say?
Then of course we look like we don't talk. We can't have talk if we talk too much.
Alright, go see.
Akeem,
I
talk.
got it.
Listen to me now. Talk cannot too much. Talk can't too much. None talk. Cause when you stop talk, somebody else talk. Talk can't too much.
Alright, we want to hear what you have to say now.
Listen to me now. I wouldn't mind you guys put out some donation to Akeem. He will give it to us because we needed to do some important stuff.
Candy. No
What?
candy. Me not receive.
They
No
not
money.
have me number. They know
No.
about feel something.
Hold on,
fan
why
fan.
Instagram? Why Instagram?
Me not have none. Me not no phone.
Yeah.
Me all want one phone. You can buy one phone for me, please.
Oh yeah, me forgot to candy
Sure.
have one. But
If me did have a phone, me get enough help long time, but I don't have a phone. So I need you guys to help me to buy a phone so I can have my own channel. I want to be so nice, good up fans funny. I want to know say
just
Candy.
contact be things on the channel, that's true.
Oh, you mean Candy? You don't know say Candy.
So
a
if you
phone
no
is
want to
favorite.
see Candy start a YouTube channel and contact the things them phone, you make she know in the comments. Tell her in the comments, as you mean.
Yes.
So she say she want a phone, would
Yes.
buy her one, but me can't afford it. My phone screen bust up right now. No left it fall, we are street fall.
I make nice and make
Nah
it me
man, I want to hear them. So that's all. Anything else?
You don't talk already? How much
Papa,
minute gone?
ready? My time? Papa.
well, thanks for the interview, guys, and hope you learn a lesson. No matter what in life, don't listen what people say. Work towards it.
Anyway, it is my pleasure meeting you. This is Candy, actress from Richard Brown Flint. And all of us are teams. We work together. Excuse out of the... Okay, you know manners, you know.
Hey,
Sure.
pick up on yourself. Look
So,
more.
bless up on yourself, and you know me always love you, know. I love you guys so much. I mean, no someone love me too, you know, but me love you no more. Mwah. I'm out. I will make a press here and we
That's how we live.
Alright, go and do the thing now. Come in.
Yeah, what go on there now, see?
Do you have money at that day?
Who did that money?
When you know you're gonna help me buy no phone.
But me can't tell us that I still get a piece of food, man. Tell us I still get a piece of food.
Tell me when you're ready, Akeem.
You ready,
man?
Tarkat?
Freestyle.
Oh, okay.
Freestyle. Where's the papa? Come in now. So I go on now, even now.
Akeem, ask the questions. See we interviewer over there, so.
We done.
You're not
No,
chatting.
interview. This is.
This is what?
Team side.
No, team side, man.
Oh.
Akeem, something. You're all tired and brighty.
Team side.
So I'm going to ask you now.
We just are going freestyle.
Just talk.
Alton, they don't
something.
know you have a chat in the Alton, they don't know nothing, you have a
I
chat,
don't
they
mean
know
say, you know,
what
you
going
can't
on
ask
with
one
them.
question, nothing,
But they know what going with me.
Yeah.
Uno dumb.
Oh, people, People. This is not candy. Look at my phone, people. It's not good. Right? It's not good. Look at it. It can't. Right, watch a candy. I think it's a your phone, a full phone, and for me. Look on this. No. If me,
See my phone, then if I'm no phone, I even somebody will give me one phone and give me this, I never want it.
Alright, so
I
see,
rather do it though.
see, but it's true because people can call me. Me just have to just have this and go on normal. People, me need a phone.
And you're going like that a phone too. You all you want one phone to move, man.
Me tell you, I put this on my ears and it just a brr, 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 brr. On my ears, it just a press up by itself when I go on with itself. So people, remember to subscribe to that channel as a command for the as man for the man channel. Just subscribe and not bother with the foolishness. Subscribe. Because that's how in time you subscribe, people can see me more.
Right.
And can see yourself
So
more.
Alton, come chat about that, because I tricky people and come. No, you're not really tricky, you know, you understand, but you're not going in personality, you understand? I'm an entertainer. No, you can't come in, So Alton.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm Mr. Richard Brown and our family, right?
Yeah, my cousin.
Alright, good. So, give me a little history. So, you must get about any and all these things.
What history?
Yeah, give one history where
telling
you
now.
come from.
Alright. When we are doing forward from the left high school.
Which high school like?
Froome High School. Let's go Froome Technical in the house. Big up on yourself, you see me? So, from left high school, okay, so, in mother, which is my aunt, Auntie Debbie, big up yourself.
Rest in peace.
Richard and Auntie Debbie. And them can me go a wedding, and from start go a wedding, I'm going normal. Pretty girl, come here. You can pause.
The floor is yours, have the floor,
You
people.
can pause. Say your name for the camera though. Come here. Come here. Alright, so she's shy. So yeah.
Watch him. You can say when you little you used to
I
crazy
used to go to Froome Technical High School. Richard Brown and Diana Campbell. They're the one who made me into a photographer, videographer. Yeah. So from I left high school, so I start go a wedding, go a hotel, and then sitting there. So I know so we in our business long time. But professionally start shoot movie. If you look up on one of me, I want interview with Fire Ass, you know. When the first movie he do named King Kush. That was his first movie with Fire Ass. We interviewed him about 8 or 9 years ago. He's up on YouTube the same way. On different channel.
That was not the first movie.
What do you mean?
King Kush was not the first movie.
Which movie was the first movie?
One by One and Carelessness.
Alright, what are they in time? Another time period then we do that.
But
that
King Kush,
interview.
you know him them
Talk
time.
about that. You're going like a better looking at Richard through your animal cousin. Talk to the people then.
No man, Richard and me and me.
And somewhere I mean, I know you're
Isn't it
nicer
so
than
far you come from.
Richard cuter than you.
I just
You have candy. We don't want a bad man, man. Think. Hear me I say. Are the girls, man, this. Anybody want to
I
take
keep one side of me move.
Watch out, my gun. Me not nice.
Man look.
Not look nobody.
Man alert.
So, yeah, from your start, shoot professionally and the acting and thing on YouTube and all of that.
Me this camera shy. If you notice, I know me kind of the talk in the camera, you know. If you see it for true. A couple months ago.
You afraid?
No, me shy man overall. I'm a DJ and it's so sad. So sad, me so shy.
Yeah, some camera we buy people. Me not
But,
wrong,
yeah.
afraid of them.
So, Mr. Garden, how your life changed since you started acting or since the acting start successful? Oh, make sure you tell themselves on YouTube channel too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, alright. Tell you how this whole acting start. When you start seeing me now frequently.
No, but before that, I used to act, not true?
Yeah, man, you see in a movie, man. I one by one, me a police long time in a movie, I beat up boy long time, most years ago.
Oh.
They tell them I did Lily and fine, so.
Tell them.
Palm Beach, I beat up boy as police and a long time. But and now me really start the acting thing professionally. So I say, since here, February, more than time there. The time I'm really done it often, don't it? Yeah. Time I'm done it often. But a long time. But yeah, sorry about that, people. He's just one of our fans here in Jamaican City. So,
Alright.
you see me? I'm just saying, well,
That talk about acting long time and beat up. From school, in saying you used to go.
He forgot
So-
everything so quick.
And that talk about the acting on beach and beat up boy as police and as recent now. Some of that ask say how your life changed.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So the reason why me there so still do acting now is just got you a little relationship problem.
Hold on, them me blouse and skirt, it passa me like it. Hey. What you say? What you say a while ago? Talk again. Me never asked him nothing now. Him said, come, say it again, my boss. What you say?
Yeah.
Hold on, what you say? Repeat what you say a while ago.
Got you a little relationship problem, so
Okay, so you have a broken heart and everything?
you pass through that stage already, man.
Okay, okay.
Single now, isn't it?
You see?
Ladies.
What? You know what I want to ask me if you're single, man. I tell him say you have a girlfriend.
No, man. Which girlfriend? You give me girlfriend?
Me think that me think say this.
No, brother.
Oh, so you're single now?
Yeah.
So what kind of woman you like, me general?
I like women.
Oh, just every
That's
woman?
Just it. Women.
Just... so,
I love
hold on
women.
now, me feel like a trouble that, you know. Hold on, me tell you and then you can probably rebut you can
specific.
come in. Hold on now. If you like women, see, when you get one woman, the amount of competition where she have to deal with all this, you know, because like, every woman you
I
like,
feel love every woman.
You see me? So your type not too specific. Alright, go on, tell us some more. So your relationship thing.
So yeah,
Yeah.
that go on, relationship pass and gone, so me have time now, so me kind of dedicate myself now to the whole shooting and acting, as you can see. And I have 3 kids. So ladies, if you know me, I have 3 kids. I don't want candy in my video now. I have 3 kids, ladies. AJ, Alora, and Mia. You see me? And they're not, I don't candy their mother.
All of them is from the same mother?
No.
3 different mother?
Yes.
Okay.
I was a bad
When
boy.
I grow up, I want to be like you.
No, when I was...
No, me no want to be like
I
him.
was
This
a bad
when
boy.
they
I
choose
was a
feed
bad.
man.
I was a bad boy. No, I'm good. I'm Christian now.
But you have
Alright, we have 3 minutes left on the video.
3 minutes. All right. Go over to Paradise Nation. Subscribe.
Yeah.
If you know what I see me, I go out with myself over there. Go over there. Subscribe. Me and Candy, we have a video come up still now. We were intense. We never see Candy kissing our video yet.
Kiss her.
See it.
Kiss her.
No, yeah.
Kiss her.
Oh,
Kiss her.
Lord of Jesus. Don't stop it. No,
Kiss her.
God, me can't manage you no more. Why? Almighty
That's
Father
as
God.
far as it is go.
Me I came a quote.
Sorry.
All
Alright, so yeah, remember to subscribe to this channel, Akeem Lawrence. That's how your badness come down. We are one family here in Jamaican City. We have a lot of video production with the company here, but it's one family at the end of the day. Alright, I kind of have a flow now. So Candy,
Jesus Christ. God
take
help
flow,
me.
girl.
Take you.
Take flow. Take
No,
flow.
no.
right,
no,
so
no.
people see it there. Wanna get 1, 2, 3 character from Richard Brown films
If
to
you don't-
get closer to them personality. You see?
If you want to know more about me,
So
go over my page.
Paradise Nation, it name.
Yeah,
Alright, yeah.
entertainment. Or go over official Alton God.
I want to tell me if you don't want to see Candy over here, so create a YouTube channel. And what kind of content you don't want to see her put on her channel, see? Later.
Me
My
want to see
God.
Candy in a one silk
I'm
dress.
out. Love you guys. Mwah.
Me want to see Candy in a one silk dress. Talk truth. You know what I'm saying? Take off the jeans and talk truth.
Move, man. Single but me.
You know what? Me first put her in a one video. though. Me first put her in a one video.
You have a nice personality.
Oh, my gosh.
No, man. I love compliment ladies. I love ladies.
So how long you follow Alexi? How long you
A long time.
And I'm a fan of her now.
I must say, I'm your
Get it,
biggest
get it,
fan.
get
I
it.
was
And true, I can show me a fan more than the whole of them.
Yeah?
I can ever hype me.
Yeah.
Fine, whatever.
Yeah. Look here.
That's my number one.
I didn't know her from Dangerous. I didn't know her from Dangerous. Where you know her from? You know her from before I come here?
No,
That's it, but she
just
love
me.
me.
But she have a nice.
Yes,
Out
sir.
of every girl I
You have
see
to take one
already, she.
picture. You have to take one picture with me so that you can make Tori jealous.
I say go.
Okay?
You
Take a
can smoke one
Victoria
picture, what you do?
Take one picture.
I'm taking a photo of them. Hold on. Ready? Ready? Cheese. I'll do a light behind one. Light on the face, I'm trying to get there.
Nice.
Don't know
Like
start.
to make Tori jealous on the shore. Say, yeah, me, I like the best.
Sorry, now I get jealous. One different pose.
Kiss.
Yo.
Alton, you're such a pervert.
Yes.
Alton is such a
What is the
pervert.
matter
Let me
with
put your split.
So, you finally get to meet one of your fan them. On your, what I call it, you know.
Richard, gone though.
Yeah.
Yeah, go make a big video.
Alright, ready? We don't have anything in here. I'm leaving you guys, unfortunately. I have to go right
Yeah, tell
now.
when your birthday.
My birthday is... It's actually Sunday, but I'm celebrating it on Friday, guys. So you know,
Yeah,
come
September
out,
girl,
you know.
right?
No, October. October 3rd is my birthday, but October 1st at the party, the John's Construction. Make sure you post this video for now so they can know from Penn Road. Come support.
Right.
Yes.
So let's see.
Let's go.
Oh, it is on the market to do the video.
Yeah.
Okay, I use something else apart
Richard
from
is at care. I want at care to do this.
Oh, Richie gonna with.
And if you do it
How many are you
Tomorrow.
tomorrow, you have to do it tomorrow.
We can't do it tomorrow when I carry up. Because we are coming far and I'm going far.
Yeah, you can do it when we are lose.
So let's see. Second time down in the place.
January,
One time, you know,
January
if I
4th is my
case,
birthday.
What?
What you guys giving me for my birthday?
Hold on.
I'll tell you, deserve a glass of milk.
1 minute though.
A glass of milk for your birthday. Just not something normal, nothing like, you know, out of boundary.
Just a nice glass of milk.
Nice glass of hot milk.
Hot milk?
Yeah.
What going on?
What do do?
What? Alton, what I feel look like, you know, to tingle in your body, you know. What you say no, acting?
Yeah, so your second time down here filming. How you feel? What going on? Tell about it.
Me just always active and ready up to act, you know, matter. I be a sweat, me sweat from last night, me a sweating at here.
I remember
sweating
that shoot it.
Oh Jesus. I must be a sweat, me a sweat, and then the funny I look like
So, like we did that.
So how does feel like something long term?
in terms of what?
Like to me, you know, I just want to film a video for you until
Listen to me, let me tell you something. You see, as soon as I buy up my equipment for filming and you
tell them
know.
so they can donate too.
Listen to me, yeah, of course. Let me tell you something.
Which part the Instagram?
I am going to be next to Richard. Me tell Fire from last night and I come. But you know, I'm take my time, I work, you know, and said way. You know, when my things start, I go get my own after them, everything. It's gonna be the best
You know,
entertainment.
it's a differently though. Yeah, but I'm not people. I first seen you come here we have so much, you know, facial expression, like embody the acting so much, like waiting.
Yeah.
Like,
So nobody not come and beat me.
like how me measure it, like you just embody the character more than like some form of shyness in the other people. And to me, that's my
No, but
opinion.
we have to see, right? We have to check your levels. Let's see.
Experience.
Experience, guys.
A little. Remember, I've never been in a show before.
You have to go take some picture for your reading, because none of the picture that's more, right?
Why you not take it on the camera?
That's what she want to do, but she want to get
No, take it on the camera and send it to me.
Take it on the camera.
She wants to
Anytime we
make
take
my
picture.
friend
Hi.
Anytime we take picture on the camera.
How are you?
I'll send them.
Can pour morning stuff please?
Unfortunately, there isn't another phone.
You know why I'm take the picture of them so?
Hold on, I'm not here. Where you sit down?
You don't want to make you jealous, too? You want to make her jealous more.
Oh yeah, you want to interview to the fish show?
Oh, wait.
Oh, that's the man. Where you from? Where you from?
The camera? Use the camera?
Yeah.
Portland.
Hold on.
Alright, that's something too bad. That's something too bad.
If I what?
Message me.
One portrait one.
On Instagram. It's the same as here.
You can go closer with the middle part that's all.
With the breast part.
No, like that's all.
Yeah. Same.
Watch fire. Where?
Ready? We're there, that's... Yeah, we're there, that's true. Yeah, man.
Good. So
Let me see them.
All the time, say man a photographer.
Let me see it now.
DM me on
video me
Instagram.
do, not forward talk.
Yeah,
No.
that's you coming now. That's you coming now.
This is when me coming now. This is one of the first scene.
That she come in a fire, that she come in a. Hey, fire. I'm in a yes, and I'm telling you, misplaced argument.
I pray now.
But in there, we have to use that. Take a picture of it there. Remember, say you should get the viral call.
The what? The what?
The viral call. Viral call. The call when she call.
Call about the vial, the medicine thing.
When
Yeah.
them call it, who call them, have to answer back.
Oh,
When I go over there.
Okay.
But then I
we can do it tomorrow. We're gonna come on fire. We're gonna come tomorrow morning early.
See?
And they're gonna come in the morning. They can finish. They can finish with all we have to do between the morning and then they can have course. I have to go back. Bye guys.
I make my boy do one bag of something.
Later.
Alright, baby.
Gonna miss
Be
you.
safe.
Picture I will take.
Yes, yes,
Bye-bye.
that is it. Yes, that is it.
I love her so much. Never go first or last. Lexi, tell me something about you that not many people know.
If you're going to do an interview, I would implore you not to do it in here. Do it on the outside.
Okay, go ahead. Good quality mic, I forgot to plug out. Look up for that. So people ever tell us, say, yo, when them see you, like when people see you for the first time, they always say, yo, me think you're the taller.
Always.
Yes, say that.
Like, I don't know if I'm tall or I'm short, honestly.
No, you're short. Can me short, I'm taller than you. So, you're short. But anyhow, Lexi, you're no stranger to Jamaica.
Never.
So, what me want you to tell, we know, tell us something we don't really tell. Around a whole heap of people might not know that something about her. But you don't mind having them.
I don't want to that on camera. I don't want to that on camera.
One little hint then?
I'm a body.
Alright. So, your high school. Did you talk to me about that in the last video? No.
No, I did talk to you in a Paradise film. Paradise Mission. My high school, well, I went to the Albertson High School, which is located in Top Trelawney, Albertson. Yeah, the best country school with the young them there was strong. So, and
Manning's the best country school though, yeah?
Manning's in the country, Manning's Hill, also.
Yeah, right down south there, country. Yeah. So you used to be an A student in high school?
I am not gonna tell anybody I was an A student. I was, alright, when we just going to grade 7, you have A, B, C, D, E. I was in B.
Oh, so that one B student. So, I know you probably hang out, like where do you hang out, like during lunchtime or probably after school?
Yes, when we just got high school, like, alright, coming from primary, you know, coming from primary, I go in a grade 7. Remember, you know, you saw me there at primary school, I always hear them say, oh, when I reach a high school, I in a grade 7, I go get beat up. And them usually make me afraid of high school. So when me touch in a grade 7, me did shy, no sense, afraid, whatever. When me get for like broke out, I know say no girl can like, well, me never bother nothing. Me not go say me never no fight either, but you still could come go like you want this me. So all of that coming about grade 9.
But you're not involved in no controversy at high school though?
1 and 2 times, but I never nothing serious, so I can look back and I say, yo, that fight there, you know, we are pitting, we are in a little conflict, but I never nothing big. Me never no big war.
Nothing where whole school know you for?
No, not where whole school know me for.
See.
Always just I just drama. The whole school know me for my talent, acting, drama, whatever. That them know me for. Them never know me for no fighting or whatever. I used to love trouble people and laugh after them. Nothing too serious to come war me do, because you know say I saw me stay.
So differently though, the first person that is not a relative, but try if you know a relative already in your life, outside of family, people, for somebody where you can remember try want to be a part of Lexi life. I don't know if I want a friend or whatever.
Part of my life, like in what way? Comes
you know, like I don't want to say man and make it look a little bit too cliche. But say
like
somebody just rate you and like and say, oh, John, I want to roll
like
with.
you're talking in general, friendship.
Yeah, like
or man?
yeah, in general.
Yeah, me usually have best friends here, but you know, like now, I don't really have a best friend. Well, me have a close friend, but true, me wouldn't say, me would call her, because I'm from high school where I roll, isn't it? But
Tell me
Friend
about
thing, I
that.
never really like my thing.
So hold on, it never work out, it no.
No, me and her still a friend now.
So yeah, tell me about that one because remember several friends say me I talk about the teamwork thing, you know, so it me all come back down too. You see me?
Alright, to be honest, let me be honest with you. When I was at high school, me usually have friends who do what me do, acting. And me did love that. When me left school now, like we find a friend we love when me love, it never happen.
Rough.
Rough. We never find nobody who love camera and want act or whatever, like who have a passion. Like I think that I click with persons who do what I do.
Yeah.
Like if me a click now, alright, say me a click, you see me? And you love go party. You just do the opposite thing from me. I mean, it's not going to work because me go always their own camera, whatever. You go shy and say, Lord God, no make you camera catch me. Me not depend on them something.
Yeah.
Me not really like them something they turn me off. So me never really like say me have no friend with who, you know, like, but me have friend here from high school. I still have a friend, you know, from high school and things.
And the friendship strong.
Yeah, man, me and her good, man. Oh, sometimes she go on like she not in a sense, but we good.
Alright. So about the man part of it now, I can't imagine the kind of man who can manage you. I can't imagine it.
Oh, you know so. Listen to me. Me a done. I'm a done. And like me not really alright. Me not really want talk my love life.
Yeah.
Because I'm a very private girl.
Yeah.
Very, very private. But I think out of all my life, I only love about two smaddy.
John, no.
And the one with, and the current relationship.
A different militancy that my boss. Big up yourself.
And the recipe, no, me I thought like, when I say out of all of the relationship, them, X out the 1 year one meeting, like the
Brother,
current
and enough woman can say what you just say a while ago.
I truth.
Yeah, you see me?
It's the truth. And the thing about us, like, we Jamaican women, as if when we say certain things, we're not gonna say, oh, me sound like a aura or whatever. It has nothing to do with harlot or whatsoever. Because Anna, every man can get up and say, oh, every girl I made with we didn't love. No, every boy we me ever talk to, we never in love. I mean, we just have fun and him go film way, me go my way, and them can tell us so.
Simple, big people.
I just big people are big people,
yeah.
right true.
Alright, different. I find man argument, because we don't even want to tell them nothing more. See? So about reading. You like reading, like...
You know, me love to read, but I don't read a lot. And that's, me consider myself lazy. But you see, soon as me drop in at the right, because I remember me telling you, you know, me I go have my own entertainment with my own talent. My own production team. You know, just like how Richard Avuno, whatever. That soon coming I play. So, yeah, man.
Like read, like who, like, you don't read a lot, but...
Soon as me drop in that direction there, you know me have to go read a lot. Because one thing with Fire, he reads a lot.
What you like read? What kind of material you like read though?
I like romantic drama.
Like a novel thing?
Them have something called Wattpad.
Wattpad.
The romantic story them, make you, when you read, you just... I love read them something. I love read dramatic and all of them something. And I love horror shows. You see action movie, Gonna Bus and Arrow, my thing that. And apart from that too, man I come with him bike. Yeah, so apart from that, I like comedy said way. I like every genre. But my main thing is I love action shows, I love horror, and I love like, you know them, what am I saying now? Drama.
Alright.
Like drama thing.
So Lexi, between me and you, who win $1 million? Yo, top player with me, man.
Wait now. The reunion I come up soon. It's gonna be live. So you go watch and see who are going, who are get prizes, and remember I know we're not getting a prize or not. So when the reunion come,
say allowed to say them something now? They allowed to tell me when one
No, I don't know when it's the reunion, but it soon come. So when it come, we know who win.
So you think, alright, nothing about no release and no video where the public don't know about where you can share it, or allowed to share it, if you know about.
What do you mean?
Like me don't know no new, like long time now I don't see no new video on Cashman TV or 876 thing.
Remember, 876 is a one TV reality series. You don't have anything else where them produce. At least I don't know.
But it's not done, it's not finished yet.
You know, actually now watch, you know. Let me ask you a question. You pay for the 12 point whatever for
Oh no.
So you can't go nowhere. You can't watch it on my phone though.
Okay.
But we had episode 12. I think that's the last episode or what.
Oh, so everything not come on YouTube or that? Oh,
No,
okay,
that's why I'm not
okay.
get it wrong. Because all of the
Okay.
episodes are on First in Line JA, which you guys have been told to pay the 12, whatever, to go and view it and support.
So who you think win a million?
I do not know.
Me say who you think? Me
Remember,
never...
me have to say myself. Me can't say nobody
Oh, you
else.
think you win it?
Everybody I go feel say
So-
them win. What you want me say? That somebody they win. Me not no faith in myself.
It's alright,
me have to
Pane.
say me win.
It's alright, on the camera. What you say? Can me feel like you win it, you know?
No, you can't say that. You know,
You say me can't answer that. Lexi say me can't answer that. Me blows
Alright,
and
you're
scared.
willing to say that. You're willing to say that. You're willing to say that, but nothing wrong. Cause other people that say, alright, you know, say a Dino win or a Valdo win or a Sicily win or a hot dog win. Anybody can.
You know,
say
friend,
win.
when me feel like say you win, me see them do one video and me see you say a thing where you see anything me put my mind, you see something about, you see anything me say me I go do or anything I just
I
that
think
me I go
that
do.
part is a confession. That you watched. That was a confession.
Yeah man, I look me say, you know, so me feel like other girl that win the blouse and skirt money make him talk so.
But no, what me say a while ago, when me say anything I put my mind to, that is in general. Like anything I put my mind to, I go do it. If it take long for do, if it take 3 years for do, me go do it. And
Okay.
that with me. So I mean that is just in general.
So if a family, if a friendship, if a boyfriend, if a business, friend Lexi put her mind to it, it just it a go happen.
No cap.
So in the future though, that one have like we have 5 points though. In the future though, like what you think you want? One boy or one girl? Cause I know you want kids.
I want a nice baby boy.
Nice baby boy. Why not one girl though?
I want a girl, but I think I want a boy first.
Why a
I
boy?
love boy pitney.
Yeah,
I
so.
love boy pitney.
Alright, good.
Baby
good.
boys, I love them.
So, any man who listen to Lexi and hear that, well, not any man still, because she in a relationship. So, yeah, I think I like that. Thank you for your time again, Miss Lexi. Anything we want to tell the people?
Welcome, you're always welcome. And guys, remember to always check out my Instagram page. It's the same, Lexi the Best. YouTube. You know, say sooner or later, me just at, you know, like when the man them a drive and then just make a solid turn, like, I saw me I go turn to YouTube. Like, me not say, man, that's your Instagram, you know, but when it, you know, I go see. I don't really want to talk business, but the turning to YouTube and the short film.
Tell which channel though, because then good day and I know
Like
say I want
Lexi the
to.
Best.
Oh.
I'm Lexi the Best on every social media platform. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube,
How that man?
Lexi the Best.
How that man?
Eh?
How that man?
Mr. Alton.
What experience with this man?
Girl them God man.
Bombard.
Girl them cassava.
That's how you go.
I saw him say him label himself so something I say.
Okay, girl them cassava.
I'm just a normal person though.
What them labels in the movie them, the girlies. You ever the girls them man. So you will say me don't know. Me don't know.
But me not nobody.
Good luck with you and that.
Correct that. I'm not edit that out, dog. I mistake you make.
So
Alright, I'm not gonna repeat it. But I think the camera here loud and
How have
clear.
you been since you have been here though? You give me some bomba lick, you know, some
you know,
some
say really
slap.
and truly, me not feel good because I know me never really fix it up properly. Me give mostly this with the gun, like me did one punch up, like just some
But them
punch.
box them last night and I don't know normal box them.
Fire them no lick. I want me go so with the book.
What? When you did that at school, did you always want to become an actor? You always want to involve in a drama?
Listen me, let me tell you something. I wanted to become a solid actor. Right now, me I work for my crime.
The crime?
Yeah, cause you see the thing about it, me not have a history of sadness.
Okay.
So I know like me have a bag of things for reminisce and stuff. Me more cry. Me never really have a bag of sadness, you know.
Alright, so differently now. So cause we are talking about this thing
Cause really,
serious.
me not cut it. Really and truly, you know. I do comedy, but me love acting more. To be honest, me just do comedy because me can do it. And you know, remember, you know, you're not no limit. For you can do something, you go and do it. So me do it because me can do it. But really and truly, my thing is solid, hardcore acting. And my thing that.
Acting.
So
Right.
Lexi. Alright, that's what I say.
Can you act and
So we formalize the thing. I don't know if we have no school at Jamaica where can give a certification for the arts
Edna
where. So you do that? You do that?
You know, so from me there high school, I wanted to go to Edna Manley. Me even go online.
So apart from Enda Manley, is there anywhere else where you can get accredited certification?
Yeah, but Edna Manley to me at the top. So I did
yeah.
somebody always say, go and thing. I may go up online and me download the resume.
You know what I like about you sometimes too? let me say that. In general, Zine, why not instead of go UA, go UTech, and show them say you can have just as brilliant students attend UTech as you'd have at UA. So what me I say is, why not frig Edna Manley and go somewhere else? Because you seem like a natural talent.
So that me I try to say right now me not say me hype or cocky. I don't need Edna Manley. Me can sharpen my own pencil.
Okay.
Can sharpen my craft, you know?
I think so still, but anyways, yeah.
Well, that's true. Cause you know you got some people up there way teach you things where you don't know.
Yeah.
You have big actor out there who ain't got Edna Manley.
Right,
And when you look on them and somebody will go Edna Manley, them bigger. So
close the video for me, my friend.
People left college and I work at call center.
And I work at call center. You crazy?
Just for an example.
Yeah. Me no want nobody will work at call center feel like say they work inferior or nothing like that.
I'm going to talk my mind about the call center business. Let me tell you something, guys. Call center money is not a big money. You guys are... Listen to me.
Depends on which one.
Wait now.
Well, I don't want to try as best as possible if nothing make nobody will work at call center feel offended. Yes.
No, this is no offensive. This is the truth. Let me tell you something. As I say, certain position at call center pays, but we're talking about the minimum. The one them we just sit down. We are talking about them. You guys should be getting more.
Yes.
Well, yeah.
More money. And wait, no, I'm not done yet, car. You see them, and listen, and not only call center. You see Chinese people them too. When you in the Chinese place a stick out thing and a pack this, you fear get more money. How much you think Chinese pay a week?
Make it.
We don't reach our government yet. How much you think the Chinese them pay the people them a week time?
5,000, 6,000.
No man, Akina, how much every 2 weeks?
Why?
For the Chinese are every week. How you go?
My thing
About
started.
Around 8 grand.
a week.
Remember say the government used to pay
Listen
me
now. Now your thing too, police fee get more than what them get.
No, gosh,
as a matter of fact now, call center get 8 grand. No, I'm Chinese people 8 grand a week. When I sum up your fear every day for them there like 1 week, then you have to find your own lunch and all them something there. What is $8,000?
Nothing.
$8,000 is nothing.
You can't even go to supermarket with
You can't even go to supermarket with the 8,000.
So but when you buy a supermarket a week time, Lexi?
Like what you mean?
Like
Buy a grocery come to all $13,000. Remember me young, you know. Me not live for my own, me live with my mother for now. But me still have my local money when me go shop. Because you know, I want my different snacks. I want my own thing. I not eat up my mother things. But when I go to the supermarket and I buy things, $13,000, $12,000. And uno na, if you want, I not see the bag of grocery and uno de sit down on the body, I do this and I do that and depend on cash.
I not cost them. But anyways,
listen me.
May I get bored of this now?
Lick out pan them.
No, lick out pan them.
People get more money. And
Why?
I think you guys are too comfortable with it. And
Why?
that's the problem. Uno sit down and take the little money.
Yes.
Akin,
Lexi,
yeah, one of them with them brainwash where you
Lexi,
don't want to talk, you have to talk.
Lexi. No, I know that. Let me tell you one to understand. This is certain battles, you not take it up. You see me? Not take up certain battle, left it alone. Not even share your opinion. Not even share your opinion.
But we have an opinion.
You see it now? You know you're still in the slavery mentality because you can't even talk for your own rights. Come
No,
on,
me cheese and peas, me do that already.
Then if you not do it, you do it already. Me not do it yet. Me not go do it now. Me know you can't say.
But,
in them
alright.
stamp him in the system.
No.
You know like you take you pick them up.
Just start one topic now.
Alright.
Start one topic.
Alright, Lexi, can we talk about something more sensitive now?
But what I'm saying is sensitive. I am representing my black partners, my black sisters, and my black brothers. You guys, forget more pay. That's why me work on my own,
Your mother would be proud of you.
That's why me work on my own. I
Alright,
collect my own dividend. No government can't call me and say, oh, you're getting paid the 30, whatever.
Alright.
That's what that.
Lexi.
Me want to get paid when me want pay. No, you not pay me when you're ready to pay me, like say. Are you birth? What you say now, sir?
Good, me like how you talk that. You see me say you talk about mother and you talk about birthday and thing and thing. Tell a little bit about mommy. Is it what relationship with mommy too?
I kind of get like an attitude from my mother.
You see?
You love run joke to and give joke.
She short, see me?
Yeah, she short bad.
Your father short too?
No, my father too.
Are you bestie? Like what relationship with mommy? Tell her anything.
No
like,
man, mommy a G man. Mommy is a mommy. Me can't say yo, mommy me a go there so I do a shoes. All right. I know somebody will call on my phone. I am not saying that she fit do it, but as she say me, I tell her the truth. The relationship we have. And she and her mother will say, Lexi, what you did? And she
Honest mother we have to worry about.
She trusts her daughter. She knows her daughter know understand the
She knows
ground.
me a thugs and me know fi
She know a chopping.
go through the ground, you know. So she not fear call me phone like me no Christian pitney with teeth out and gun a man yard. No, she not do that.
So, what about daddy? If we can't talk about daddy, just do so.
Daddy now. Yeah, I still vexed with my father. I will let me and him go through. The man they too strict with me. Too strict. And them know. When I did younger, I grew up my mother and father. When me reach grade 11, my mother leave him and I live with my mother. Come in, you know?
Alright, yeah man, I got too much on that. So no close the video for me now, no people. Come close the video now, Alex.
Yes, people, thank you for watching.
The video smoke.
Thank you for watching.
Listen.
I don't have much time in there to do that still, so then
Thank you for watching, people. This is Lexi.
No, your vlog this I go fan. I want it to, you know. Come on, put you.
Alright.
What I was gonna say, Akin Lawrence. What my last name Akin? See, me know my last name, you know. I don't know for me. Last name is Williams. But people, Akin Lawrence is where no one there right now. And I'm so when you might interview me, I feel comfortable. Did you feel comfortable when I was interviewing you?
yeah, man, always this nice.
Right. So people, I want to make sure you subscribe to the man thing, because someone will come and watch and now. It does hard for you to click the subscribe button and watch out the something them and come back and re-watch the something them and watch the ads them and be comfortable
and like them,
and like up and comment. Just do
Yeah.
the right now, people in the ad, you know. So everybody has to make them food. So it was nice talking to you guys.
You want me both of your bread?
And we have Mr. Alton, Paradise Nation. Alright, big up on yourself, people. I'm out.
Say no, this size of a stop. Slap me now.
Your body does feel chubby.
Where bread will let Lexi have then?
Nice.
Where bread there?
Which bird?
Don't you mean say something about... Oh, never mind. Little more people. Big up on yourself. Yeah, make sure you subscribe. We got it. I can't handle this temperature. It is crazy hot out here. Good. Are we in focus? No, you see, Adams, as a matter of fact, morning people, morning, big up on yourself. Welcome back to the channel. Now we get some positive energy first. So before I actually tell you what this video is about, when I start the record now, I see the brother walking, and I say, oh, John must start. Chaja. God bless him still. Go pray for him. Go pray for him. And pray for yourself. Pray for everybody. Chaja. Well, anyhow, people, big up on yourself. Blessed morning. Welcome back to the channel. First time over here. My name is Akin. So in this one, as a matter of fact, I'm in Montego Bay, St. James right now. I'm in Montego Bay, St. James. Pit 4 to be exact. Reason why we're in Montego Bay so we can pick up Lexi. Wanna recognize our people? Yes, so that is Lexi. I don't know how I catch the BTS, but I will see what go on. Continue. Come on, man. Forward with me. Oh, remember if you like the video, if you're your first time over here, definitely subscribe. Do all of the good things them. Share it on your social media platform. I'll get into the video.
I feel like more left. Take it as an advantage. Not because the girl I cry or something that means you go.
If I only chance I get to take it.
Talk to me about that scene there. Introduce yourself first, because I don't know who you know.
The scene.
Hmm?
The scene I just do?
Yeah.
No, I think introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about what just happened.
Okay. Hey guys, good evening.
Hold on. No, it's like I want transformation, like I want total different smart chip now. Like.
Yeah man, that's it.
I can't
Fierce, confident person just come on screen.
Okay.
Ready?
Really long time.
Hey guys, good evening, greetings to you all. I'm your girl Lexi the best. You can call me Lexi. And I'm here with Richard Brown. You know, we're filming a video, we're filming a movie, and the movie is about a friend zone. Like, I keep on put my friend in a friend zone, but really and truly, I want me and a quiet. But I want my man, you know, and my man, me want, I don't really want him because I have him as a friend. And we've been friends for around 15 years, or him can't tell them, because I've been already a couple of years then. So.
And
Here, I'm gonna break my heart.
And what?
Sometimes. Sometimes make it stronger.
What bunch of things?
F.
Yeah, man, all the time.
Fuck up things. Oh, okay, so no matter.
Yeah, all the time.
F-U-S.
Yeah, you mess up things sometimes.
Most time.
If you do it the wrong way.
But I personally think the men out there, if the lady's crying to you because of what
Do not
her
take
boyfriend is
advantage.
doing, do not take that as an advantage. I consider you guys as weak men.
Yeah,
Don't do that.
Unless you can make the situation better.
Listen, don't listen to Fire. Don't listen to him. That's not nice.
Just like revenge something there. When you go revengeful and say I will do it and now you get the best love or best thing you can ever find.
Listen, if she doesn't, alright, remember you're not her friend. If she don't want you and she want her man and her man keep her and probably abuse her and if she don't push it on to you and say, listen, the man do me this, so I think you're the one. If she don't do that, nobody force her and take advantage.
She's not going to do that.
You have some women who will do it.
Why they would do that?
Like, alright, me not say they're gonna push up in her, but if she don't, if you don't say she not really make no move towards you, and she just have you as a friend, just stay as a friend.
You ever hear of
No,
But
friend.
it's unfair though. It's unfair.
Remember, you guys are friends, so not because the lady I get abused, that don't mean nothing change about the friendship.
Come here, can I tell you something? If I a ball and you are my female friend, come give me something. Yeah, come give me something, but can do me something.
Because I be like them.
Alright, you ever hear one female talk about one guy when never see as somebody when I'm there with
Yeah.
yuck, oh my god.
Yeah, that's true, that's true. That's
You know
true.
what I'm saying? So if you don't see all that, you now see as that. In can't now see all that.
But we're not talking about the girls who see the other boys as they're nice. What about the nice ones?
You still not see man somebody when I lie down.
No, friend zone is real, you know.
I see you or something.
Friend zone is a zone in
It happens daily, every day.
Alright, if you have, not your friend zone alone, you have like your wood zone. You come from the era, oh, but not everyone from my era. So don't one man stay so. I just people don't
That's true, because I don't like it either.
No, not the man from my era, maybe come from the same.
I don't want him.
You know, a million times, so many times man take era me better than
He's gonna be on the streets with other niggas.
But
I don't want to see him every day.
So but tell them it's somebody you know.
You better tell somebody.
You can still know him and out of court, you still know him.
No, let's face it, better than somebody you know from morning.
No, that is your opinion.
Yeah, we know, not my own, man.
Your opinion.
You know, if I need smart, you know what you do and when you bad and when you do. If you're a good girl, do your thing.
Yes,
girl.
but 90% of what you're saying that doesn't happen on a daily basis. Well, if you realize that in a certain community, the boy them go to poke, carry their girlfriend, the man and the woman them go to poke, go look them man or go get.
So really you not chat about the movie?
Not if I'm moving.
No,
This I just wanted to surface our
yeah, you know, that's a little summary. Just a little summary.
Oh,
But
Zane.
Fire, on the other hand, I don't think you should take advantage of the situation.
It's not advantage.
It is what?
If you enjoy, it's opportunity to enjoy.
It's not opportunity and it's taking advantage of the lady. That means that inside you don't care about her then.
Me care about
You
her.
just want to get toward me.
No, me care about her inside. So I'm massage it. Now massage her inside, I care about it.
Alright, listen up. It's not about the inside now, it's about how she feels. You don't care about her emotion. She's hurt. So if she hurt, the way not to solve it, you don't use sex to solve it. You caress her and you're like, okay. You make some breakfast.
She's like, oh, no, breakfast and I make it here. When she done, she alright.
Alright, listen.
She doesn't tie then. My friend, my car if you want to be to get over where you get over.
But you don't have to use sex to get over it.
No, I know, but sometimes you do that fast forward. You're done. You do about things you start laugh tomorrow.
What if she don't want the sex? She consider it as rape. Because she already
No, you see, man, I said we did not do that. You know, force yourself. But if you did that,
but remember, she not push on herself by it.
no, but remember saying that woman is supposed to push, you know. A man, the time for man push, but the time for a man push.
Guys, I'm not gonna do this.
Woman receive. Can you come back I say neck?
Alright, so People basically turn on a conversation about relationships. So right now, we come back to you know. But like them have them time and come back. No, come back. So, what me want to know now, Zin? The shooting experience so far. Like a scene or a shoot, how was it?
It was good.
Feel comfortable, feel like you work around people you work with?
Come here, you can't see that.
That's an actor's job. You're gonna work around persons who you don't know.
Okay.
So, just like an athlete, you're around with persons who you don't know. So, same thing.
So,
And I see what she did very convincing with the crying. Because when me there behind the camera, me like, like she really into it, like.
And I could have done better, you know?
and people may think me shine another one because I really have something for me, you know, friends one thing, from birth, you know, friends one thing. So, yeah, man, I have the experience, I have the experience.
Already?
Yeah.
So you should, then if you have the experience already, it's nothing for you to play then.
Tonight, may I say?
Yeah.
Alright, step out.
Action. How fast the pattern?
No.
That's the way.
No, that's your papa is not. Empty, they not show. Alright, just step back down, look, eh? Step back down, you not show, man. Go step back down, look and walk in.
Let me have a
Yeah, and then go straight in. And action now.
Running. Never win or never win.
One. Come on, come back. Come on.
Chin.
No, she.
You like it for some.
How long are we?
Holy.
Tak payah nak coba light, pakai buat light lah.
Then I was angry at you, sir.
No, man, light tak.
Oh.
I don't need to do that. Just turn it on. Oh, upstairs, me. Downstairs. Oh, well. Yeah, lock on.
Go back, sir. Go back.
Mas como? Vamos fazer agora.
No, she.
She first as well.
Yeah, they're gonna pick up a package here tomorrow. Somebody's gonna deliver something in a
Oh, well, you cannot say, hey, what I'm browning. And this is a good thing you see.
Yeah. Simple mathematics.
I may have something to pick up tomorrow.
I want me to have a pick up tomorrow.
No, she goes.
Me have a package.
Oh, you don't talk to me.
Yeah, take her.
Every day, so me I beg her to receive it from me.
Yeah, man, pull it down.
You can outside, alright?
Yeah,
man,
ready, let's go.
So I take a walk down there, town.
Let's go.
Reverse.
Let's go.
So me must have a package.
Yeah, reverse. Alright, close back your door. Close back
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, big up yourself.
Close the door, close the door.
And then go,
Come brother, watch it from there. Come brother. Alright, ready now, Lexi? Okay, stop. Shit. Come on. Stay away from me. Alright, let's say the focus. Alright, so you're at the jar right now. You want to stop her, so go back in and just Yeah. So go back in and go back right. Stay right here.
So we can put them in the back.
Stay right here. Stay right here. Let's stay right here. Ready now, Lexi? Curious, me one time see you upon the bed. Open up the door.
I'm bed, daddy.
Oh, sorry. I think this is smart. Me never know. Go back. Me never know who me there. Me there looking at back. Alright, ready now. Action.
Burning. Long time I see. Girl, I saw you, girl. I work on you someday. Alright? Hey, so you look so.
Come on, come on. Wipe off this again. Yes, shine. I will sweat like a walk.
For the time hot.
Alright, so watch the bag and put it.
Hello. I understand how some man vex anytime I say hello to nobody, but it's alright.
What beg that? The whole of your one.
Alright. Control yourself.
Come here, we can do the action.
You know, man, you can't call yourself man and kill him out. So try it back again like you're going in and Come, close your eyes. Okay, stop your eyes. Action.
Hey, girl, you know, say I work on this something. So, Mama, you look so. Girl, I'm in here to cry.
Why would I cry, bro? Hello? Hello? Yeah. Yes. Long time.
Come back,
actually
how
I'm
old is
sick, so me call her.
How old is him? Come on, like this one.
Alright?
Yeah, so she action, so. It looks like you're crying. I said, no, good now. I said, I'll take a walk up down your road. And then I'll finish this.
I know.
Wipe our face again. Just keep your rug in here. You might not want to shine on.
There's something for that.
So my nail look shiny there, so me talk to you
Oh,
about
yeah.
that soon.
Yeah, but
You have balls, it's supposed to look so.
Oh.
Oh, that's a good.
Oh!
Nothing, do that.
action.
Do that video.
Remember someone in the camera, she
You're in a camera, come
You're
on.
in the party,
I'm going to say, I'll do it, Alright, ready now?
I'm telling you, sir.
Shh, ready now, Lexi?
Why would I cry about him? Girl, I know my friend them.
No, you can't go far. No, it's a boy me and cry, no. I said, okay, if you say so, then go to the part where you
Okay, we got the pint then.
I am neighbor, you and she are really friends.
Okay.
Alright, Charlie.
If you say so.
You just pick up your pint and she said, why would I cry?
No, you said alright, so.
She said, why would I cry? Alright.
Yeah, she can't just go right back to say, why am I not crying? Then you can say, okay, if you say so, and then tell her about the package.
Okay.
Tell her, wait, you have to wait for me. You know, hurry.
Don't worry.
Where you go?
Actually,
Slow down,
I
man.
don't stuff last time.
Yeah, slow down, man, slow down. Ready now, go for her. Go for my camera. Ready.
Okay, it's just still, but anyway, still. Tomorrow, 12 o'clock, I get one package and I'm not going to here because my dentist may receive it from me.
Oh, you want me to collect it then?
Yeah. Alright then, basically.
Anything specific we need to know?
Well, I'm going to accept the signature and stuff, so you can just put I okay now.
Alright, I'll do that.
Alright then.
Alright.
Look at my hair.
Alright, brother.
Yeah.
Lock your door, Ronnie. Come up, your backside. Come up. Lock it, we're going near the house. Lock your door. Come up. Alright, so go right back to where you pick up a while ago and then she said, well, she has to walk.
So she
I'm
can
just
back
not-
there.
You will lock your door too.
Wait, do it. Oh, yeah. Go ahead, do it. Ready?
Yeah, ready to do it. Alright, and ready.
Yeah, then I'm going to say.
No, go back to where you said. If you say so, go back right back to it.
Okay.
Action.
If I say so still, but anyway still, I receive a package from me. Tomorrow, 12 o'clock, I got dentist. So if they ask any little thing, I just put my signature I.O. because I'm not going to be here.
So you want me to collect the package for you?
Yeah, simple as that.
Anything specific we need to know?
Where's something?
Why see me if I get bun?
Come on. Alright, so let's.
Oh yeah, I'm going to anything I need to know is speak it out. Are you want to? It looks like everybody you want.
Oh, my.
You are Harry, you are Tom, you are Sam, you are...
Yo, where is it? Come on, yo, why you never know? Alright. The papa, tap dancing, because you show me after I don't make sense. I was going to see you. Like the man is gone. So, alright.
Good.
Go back in and say, alright, no problem, we pick it up and just close the door. Later.
Okay.
Meet 11. And ready.
Alright, no problem. As I say, alright, okay. Alright, we pick it up.
Alright.
Alright. Take care.
Alright, good. I'm just get on far walk. Carry light, just get on.
Then I get my mail at my door and go in.
Means won't get you. Wait. I have
That thing
it.
won't jump on the
when you don't fall off here, you don't have to
Come back, Aki, come back.
Remember to lock.
So me go in and lock my door and she walk out.
Yeah.
Lock me door again.
Yeah, man, same thing. And action.
Later.
Alright, good. Alright, so good. Come curious, you're on good on that town, right? Curious, Aki, Alton, you have a shoe there and me go up. Change my shirt.
Yeah,
Alright.
I told.
Well, can mic come, Papa? You have to hold the mic. Nice one.
So one of the
Meet and greet.
So lock off me coming on today, you know. Why lock off this thing? I don't lie at that.
Alright.
Oh.
I can be here with the eyes that look at from long time. Yeah, the noir. Yeah, noir, the eyes that look at. And thus the opportunity time come now.
So you have to get out.
She didn't like him for a long time, but she did have a boyfriend, so she now will talk to him because she have a man.
I always have a girlfriend.
Which is about weird, but she after her boyfriend is gone, so I'm
I always have a girlfriend, so your girlfriend
so I can work on weird. I can just work on a weird bomb. It's alright, but we can get a chance because we're using the next change number.
Okay.
So you come back to normal.
Come on to the people and like
over next time now, do normal.
Hey, what's up?
Where's my wife and you?
Yeah man, long time I sound weird, you know. Come on, sound weird already.
How have you been?
Yeah.
That's what I was
I'm
saying.
not no man if you want to breathe.
You say you wouldn't be there no more unless you're single. I hope you're single now.
No, long time
No, long time
like we have with time boy, you know. But someone wants to start work on anything.
My right hand that is with me.
This is my left hand.
You know to try to make you laugh.
That's why boyfriend break up.
You can tell a little story.
Hey.
I don't tell them, they were engaged and all this.
Then propose then, no?
No, you see,
You want
I said to my woman not to me, you know. You can't just try to multiply again. I said to my woman not to me. I love her so much. So now I
break your nose through, but you're not done now.
same to my woman not to me, you know.
We're not
But my
friends.
woman saying go spend 1 year or 5.
And you not come back?
I don't come back.
1 year, 2 years.
2 years.
And they won't spend 6 months.
I don't really know what's going on over there, so people look like some of the place burned down. Yeah. Zoom back out. Good evening.
What the fuck? When that one down?
I don't know.
I never see it on TV.
I don't recognize our people.
No, I see a house burned down on the television. I wonder if it. So nobody live over there?
No, I have no clue. I just noticed it just like you. So, yeah, we'll start with this young lady. Alternative. You know, I like you. I like you. Yeah, alternative. Alton, I'm correct now.
Alton. When this burned down?
So we get her in a movie, guys, but more and she if you tell her where she get from the movie because you want to video me?
Yeah.
Alright, do you think?
Alright, oh no, yes, sir.
Yeah, but it's a record already still.
Clear, though.
Me not focus?
But this clear.
You sure me not focus?
This is A76 camera, same thing. Right?
No, that's a Nikon. The one we are talking about on Sony. The people blame her later for hold the camera.
Alright.
So, where are they? Interview me?
Want me to press for start record?
Not a record already.
Alright, ready? Yeah.
Question.
Hey, what's up?
I'm being questioned by Alexi people. First question.
What's your name? Your full name?
Akin Lawrence.
Any middle name like Akin?
I have 2.
Can I get them?
Ronaldo Vernon.
Ronaldo Vernon. So why you have 2 middle name? I mean, it's normally 1.
Them say one story there behind it, but them say my parents left out one story right there, so people always tell me. So I figure out something what old time people know about, but I not research it yet. But
Can I ask how old are you?
30.
You're 30-year-old, right?
Yes.
May I ask? Can I
They can ask me anything.
anything?
Anything.
You say you're a police, right?
Ex-police.
So many think you're still police.
You see them out the road, you help me up, so?
No man, I thought like you're still a police. So you do resign?
Yeah.
Why?
Then call me run with police.
Why you resign?
A long story that.
Anything negative?
Holy. You remember the police? Next question.
The police were then catching on the bus with the lady?
No, not the ice cream police. Not that one, not that one.
Alright, so what did you do?
One long story. They did all over the news, I think, all over YouTube, and live up to that.
With you? What you did? So, me not here, more here now. At least give me a summary of it.
It's rough. I can't say it right now. I can't say it. That one a long story. I have to start talking to you about when I used to work at Moby and transfer to myself.
Alright, so were you a blue seam or red seam or what?
So, when me graduate, I never have no blue seam no more because them did do a merger thing. So
what did you, when you train, what them train you for?
I'm a regular police, so...
That are in the red seam where stop car?
I'm a traffic police.
Okay, so you never do no wrongs then? You never go on no shootout or nothing?
I go on resilience duties, yeah. But the thing I'm trying to explain is that me could have been the one out there would have stopped the vehicle them same way.
Yeah.
Regular police, same way probably.
Did you enjoy your job? Don't say me I cut you.
Them usually say that about me too. So me always cut off people. But they don't understand. Anyhow, yeah. If I miss it, or if I enjoy,
yeah, if both of them miss or enjoy.
sometimes I miss the traffic perks them. I miss. And then normally some place I go there and show you ID then just let it through.
Yeah.
I miss that.
What about how many kids do you have? If you have children, I may ask.
Yeah, the question I get personal, I have 2
But
sons.
what about if the viewers want to know if you have kids?
2 sons, 1 daughter.
Oh, you're fire shot man. No one more.
Yeah, 1 more baby girl.
You have 2 sons and a daughter. So you want to be 2 girl and 2 boy. Okay, so are you currently in a relationship, Mr. Hakeem?
Single, like a hit record.
Why are you single?
I know, I'm probably not put myself out there. Busy.
Put yourself out there. So you're on the market.
Yeah, I'm there on the market.
You just put yourself out there like say it's a piece of meat.
Yeah, so that's why you got to put yourself out there. I'm single and want somebody probably should not do that, you know?
Alright, so what's your plan for now? I mean, what's your plan?
You know, then
like,
say, you move in a silence when you do certain things, but there is a plan. Definitely, there is a plan.
Not even piece of the plan we can get. Why so mean and stingy?
It involves cinematography, camera, movie making, and all of that.
So what are you now? Since you resigned as a police, what are you doing right now with your life?
Cinematography.
Can you explain? I don't know the meaning of that.
All aspects of filmmaking. So whether it's advertisement videos, music videos, shot a couple of weddings, even some music video make it onto trending, YouTube trending.
Oh, so you do music videos?
Yes.
So if I have a song and I want to do a music video, I can link you.
Definitely.
So do you have a organization working with, or you have a team for yourself personally, like for you, not you working with anybody else, just a entertainment like for you, like, you know, for instance, or you work with other people?
Same way, Richie says a whole network of.
Oh, so you work with Richards and all of them.
So, alright, how it works is, alright, so you have your website where them book up if them want weddings or whatsoever. You know, probably you there's somewhere busy one day, you know, Richie know me, him say, oh, take that one after me. And you know how it go. Little gigs in the road and them kind of way.
And you're happy with what you're doing right now?
I am.
Any emotional breakdown at some point in life?
Yeah, sometimes I remember some things, me and some people I miss. You see me and I say, oh, John, you know, say it never have to go so. And then more time, you know, I really cut it sometimes. You know, so.
Okay.
But apart from that, good.
So, Mr. Hakeem, I'm gonna call you by your first name. What do you enjoy doing apart from, you know, cinematic things?
Alright, it's hard.
Okay, you must have something.
I like this though. When the camera is not on, I still like this, interacting with people.
What else? Anything else fun?
No, I just like explore, meet new people, go new places, capture it, watch it back later and reminisce.
So when you were younger, this is what you wanted to do?
Always arts, because usually paint, make music, from ever since. Yeah, so from ever since.
So how about your family members now?
How many?
How about your family members? How are they doing right now?
One that one next long story again. Zena say only way I can describe the family thing. I don't have the words right now.
You don't have the words, why?
Yeah, I don't have the words right now.
Okay then. So have you toured everywhere in Jamaica? Where and where you never go yet?
I go all 14 parishes, but I never cover all 14 parishes.
Introduced to you.
Yeah, me I get
Hello.
interviewed by Alexi.
I read it then. Look at this. I'm interviewing somebody. I ordered.
And the lie.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Lexi the Best, and I'm here.
I get
Okay.
interviewed by Alex. Any more questions like that?
I want to ask you some more question. Do you see yourself doing something else apart from what you're doing now?
I like this, and the fact that you can get paid by doing something you like, it's the most amazing feeling. It's difficult, but it just don't feel difficult, isn't it? Because you like.
Because them always say when you find yourself doing what you love, you'll enjoy it for the rest of your life, and that's facts.
The thing is, I know I won't be able to do this for the rest of my life. There's going to be a point. If I live long enough, I probably have to stop doing the video. So that is where the plan that I don't want to talk too much about comes in.
Oh, you don't want nobody know what you're going to do to follow you.
Them move in silence.
A true man, a true. So, have you ever think about doing something else? I think I asked you that question already. But what about doing like a business? Whatever comes to your mind when we talk about business wise?
All right. I have a forward thinking, so I always think about Bitcoin. I can't really afford it right now, but I always think about it. So I always try anything I do. I always keep that in mind.
Hey guys, what's up?
$1 one side.
It's one of the funniest in live. Really? Hey guys, I'm filming. I film my film.
I get interviewed.
I will.
Yeah, Bitcoin, I just invest in some like a business where people have to use probably at some point some apartment. But I feel like I expose the plan a little bit. But somewhere else.
So tell the people where you grew up.
One place called Strawberry, but there are no strawberries there.
Strawberry in which parish?
Westmoreland. Not Shrewberry, Strawberry.
Strawberry.
It's not really a popular place. You know, far up in the country.
Oh, right up the
south.
south.
Alright, let me tell you how that country that's still. If you bring your laptop up there and them hear the voice talking a lot, them think of demons.
What the fuck?
Country there, them far country there.
In Jamaica?
Yeah,
them places exist? I thought them something only I'm not 80.
Jungle justice, if you go there and rap nobody,
then kill you or then you can't rape up there. No rape, nothing. Well, that's good, at least them defend themselves. You know, some community things happen and everybody turn a blind eye on it. You know?
Not that one, then kill you. I actually witnessed something that happened already. Christian people too, you know, with their ratchet knife.
Right. Alright, so you do YouTube videos, right? So what inspired you to do YouTube?
A white brother from Canada named Peter McKinnon.
There's a lot of white dudes on YouTube who are very famous.
Peter McKinnon.
What kind of vlogs do we
Well, him
structure?
get in depth where the editing aspect of it is concerned. So Premiere Pro, that's the editing. Adobe Suite. So then have Premiere Pro where you use edit videos and on export. That whole part of it, the technical part of him, he does that. So he teaches you how to do that video and photography. And the way he teaches it is just seamless to me and I'm passionate about it. He use it as one way of expressing yourself.
And you watch him like every day?
Whenever I post. As in post.
You watch it?
Yeah.
So you're a loyal fan to that guy. So how far are you planning on going with the YouTube?
Tell you honest truth, although I love it.
You don't plan to go far with it?
No, alright. Your whole thing right now is like this. So you know what you need to do to get better, right? So
yeah.
You keep on practice what you do every day, so that means filming and studying everything. So you know what you need to do to get better every day. So you do that and kind of forget about it, so you're on autopilot where that is concerned.
Yeah.
So you enjoy yourself while you're working on the plan. So the end game thing. You see me? So that's how it comes along. It's like every day I do what I enjoy, and that thing that I'm enjoying is helping me to get to the end part of the thing, which are the plan. You know, so you should have done a detective
Why you say that?
Come in the question them.
Alright.
Like anybody will listen, this video if them really want to find out what I'm up to, then could I probably find out by the question them I ask so far.
I asked you a lot of personal questions, right? Did I ask your age?
Yeah, 30.
So how old do you think you look?
Probably 45.
Oh God, you don't do that. Really?
Probably 45.
Have you ever think about singing or DJing?
Me used to do that.
You never tell me about that. How was that for you? How did that work
I used
out?
to step on my church choir, but church thing, alright, me have to stand for something. So church people, I know they start get confusing. So like, I never really know what they stand for, so the whole choir thing never make no sense to me again. So that time I start the DJ, you know. And then the violence thing still never worked for me. So start paint.
Okay, so Mr. Akeem, can you cook? Because you know we ladies in Jamaica like our men. When them up, you know them bad chef, so what can you cook?
Chicken, can fry it, roast.
Remember you love pork, you know.
Can't cook.
Cause my sister you love pork, so you must. You can't tell me that.
No, I can't.
Why?
Me for learn.
No, but to a man who love pork, so you're supposed to can do it every way. Jerk, curry, brown stew, roast. Come on.
I just can't feel like I have all that time.
So you are, you cook though, like you cook. You're a cook. You don't, because you know certain men not like cook. Them afraid to cook. Them say a woman job that, and I don't think so. As a good husband materialist, what's the can cook?
Cook as often as I get junk food.
Do you drink a lot? Are you alcoholic? What do you smoke? Tobacco, weed?
Marijuana.
Isn't marijuana and weed the same thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Marijuana. And you never take no drugs apart from marijuana and
drugs apart from marijuana. You know, say a police and me start smoke.
So in the forest, can you smoke?
Yeah.
Have you ever fight in the forest with another police?
No, one nearly stabbed me up though.
Really? How was that?
Yeah. Me tell a story upon my old channel. Long story, you know. So you know, I don't know if you know, but the police ain't sex for the barracks and thing.
What? Like?
Yeah, police and the barracks and they bring their girlfriend over sometime and then sometime.
Oh, them bring their woman pan the ends them?
Yeah. So
okay.
But they have this
But most guys, they not sleep at their yard sometimes.
So I have this police, so I call him house. So my girlfriend come check him, I want to feed him bridging now. We have my bridging same way. We walk, go down the hallway. So we hear like one woman screaming in our room. So the first sound I hear, I assume say, oh, that's a gun.
Yeah.
But when we listen now, we say, no, sir. So I go see the door now. I see the boss of my woman with a chick knife and sitting there.
Him stab her already?
No, like him out for stab her, you know. You see me, so we call out to him. And he look around now. I don't know him in some kind of raising run, come hold on, like my run, come hold on for me. I say, I don't have to talk to him and flick out in a chick knife. And I say, so if him bridging now, if he come around and hold him and tell him to take it easy.
Oh. So why girl do him so?
Why, I don't know, you know.
That's why they see them police say that's why woman afraid for them with them, you know. Because the first thing comes to mind is violence. No matter how the woman treat, I don't think you're supposed to like take out.
I always say that. I always say that too. Like, you know,
I don't think that's supposed to happen.
Yeah, I like them question. I think I first somebody interview.
Somebody interview like this?
I mean, I always do interview.
How else I can ask you now? Ooh, my boy them come.
You ready now?
Then just come.
Alright, so perfect timing.
Yeah,
let's switch for your interview now. Come.
My face one pattern now. But Eddie, you did well.
So, Lexi that from 876 just run the first interview on my channel. Interview me. What's the then reach? So them I film one movie. I'm supposed to play some best friend to Lexi. So she friend zone I think the movie name.
Get too much subject, go to college, come out and still have to work at call center, brother. Now work there after they do with their subject and their degree. What you tell me, say?
Hold on there. I see him live on the pan. Come here, Lexi, ask if I see him live on the pan. I never realize. How I go?
Lexi figure out how they're going to stay live. We're having a discussion about Education or elevation, which one carry through life?
Why, I don't know still.
Which one?
I don't know.
Cause you
Money.
can have 15 subjects and have no money, you know.
Yeah.
And the man who have no subject have more money. Exactly.
It has to be elevated.
Exactly. I'm not going to tell you about education.
No, you're crazy. You're crazy. Remember, you're crazy. After elevation.
Elevation take it to life.
Elevation.
Yeah, not education.
You can have nothing at all.
I have
And
everything.
have everything on elevate. A whole heap of people out there don't have a person, but what? Them have more than the rich. Them have more than the.
The system, the Jamaican system.
Enough business with
enough
the system.
people
And
that
then
are
much
college.
about the system too much.
Enough people got college.
The system couldn't make me poor.
Hey.
All if me have one subject,
Yo.
couldn't make the system one. Me don't get crazy.
If you tell some people how
I'm a
Jamaican
hustler.
system, if you tell some people how
Yeah,
see
like
how
that.
Jamaican
Yeah.
system stay there, ball high water and then live here.
No,
That me a
you
tell
want the system.
That's why the people them are run where go foreign. I be a runner them
Bad
run
man. Me not comfortable, brother. Me not.
Yeah, so because all of them something that really affect me kind of hard for jumping at them kind of conversation. Because I don't think politics or government are don't control how me make money. That just all depends on me. I'm Slexy over there pretty up. So, when I have two questions too much. We understand about the movie where I shoot.
If friend zone is a friend zone thing, so I'll be like, me a friend zone a boy. That happen every day in Jamaica. You know, friend zone.
Well,
Yeah.
say a friends with a boy.
Right here. Hi guys,
The people in there here.
welcome back to Jamaican family.
Yeah, my family. Okay.
Which part with the hey
I don't know, I'm just there here, you know. I'm just there here. You see, I tell me about the White House. No, man, give me, no, give me Pepsi now, I'm not telling you Pepsi. Come in, give me Pepsi.
Come and send me you.
That's ready, I reckon.
I say zoom in.
It's already a record.
Yeah, but you zoom in though.
No, press no button.
Me not press nothing, love. Yeah, peoples. We are here. Jamaican family, Richard Brown, Akeem Lawrence, Alton. Alton, whatsoever you want name. Curious boss.
She not even looking at the camera. She not even looking at the camera.
Lexi family.
Look at lean the camera. Tap in the camera. Hold it straight. Hold it straight.
See, if you take up the camera, hold it properly.
Yeah, I know how to use it.
Yeah? If you take up the camera, hold it properly.
Alright, Papa.
I can tell to hold properly.
Yeah.
Okay, and now we have a new somebody.
Hey, Papa, I love you full live right now. I make no money out of
Tell back the camera.
So, big up yourself for that segment. Thank you very much, miss. Yeah, man, so people, I'm going to shoot them now, so later. Me so.
Bye guys, peace out.
So, we're there back again, people. The guy that's obsessed with the camera, me, yes. Over by the golf course, and as you know, there are a nice, beautiful young lady. And we are going to fast in our business as usual, take some photos, and I'm taking you guys along. So of course, she's a part of the Richard Brown Films team. There she is. Shakaberry. Oh, go on.
I'm here.
So, me know the answer to some of them questions I'm going to ask, but I'm going to ask them anyways. So, first question is, where are you from?
Grangel.
You know, I say Grangel, my born, one place named Top Lincoln.
And there's some about
Serious? You don't know a star. I know say Grangel city come from, but I never know say Top Lincoln.
Yes,
Top Lincoln
Top
actually
Lincoln.
come from. So tell me about life in a Top Lincoln.
Well, life in Top Lincoln, it's great, you know, minding your own business, because of course I stay in, I don't come out.
Alright, so people have it say Grangel a bad place. You know, like me talk to my young lady out here recently in a video. She come from Clarendon. On the news, you always hear them say, oh, Clarendon a bad place. Grangel too. But what does about that?
Well, yes, at times it is bad, But for you not do nobody nothing, you just not have to worry. Although sometimes you can be in the wrong place at the wrong time, but it's bad. You have to just protect yourself and work with the curfew and work with the time.
See that? Sorry for taking you for you so quick. You know, see that? You don't notice the difference between the two questions them? Good. So, tell me now about the movie thing. How long have you been doing movies?
Okay, so I would say from about 3 to 4 months now. Yes, it's been great, you know, because I've always wanted to work to showcase my talents and inspire others and motivate others, and I finally get to do it, so it's great.
Alright, good. I run out of question. Alright, so we know about which part she come from, we know how long she had to acting. How you and Richard Brown them get to link up?
Okay, so you know, I was on YouTube and I have a couple classmates and schoolmates that's on YouTube. I have them contact, so I was on WhatsApp at night and you know, I saw one of my friends posted a girl that was in my class, and I was so excited because her name is Ashley. We're born on the same year and day and month. So I'm always excited to see her because she's a friend. Practically she was in the same 7th grade with me, same school. So I've always seen her, and I watched Friend in Me. That's the movie that I saw that made me reach here now. And I saw when he said if anybody are interested, they should go on Instagram, and I did, and that's how I get to meet up with the Richard Brown family.
Boom! You know, I get a whole lot of information from all the actors them, right? That's so. How long them are do acting, if them passionate about it, all that good stuff right over here. So, Aldo, you not look old enough though. Do you have a boyfriend?
Well, I would say not at this moment.
Blouse and skirt, no sir. That look like somebody a haul them foot, man. But anyhow, now I go down too much into that. So, how has the experience been? Over the couple of months since you've been here, how has the experience been?
Well, the experience have been so great. Meet up with everybody, feel like a family, and practically watching myself be so weird that I always wanted to do.
So you always want to do acting, not you?
Yeah, it's my talent, so I'm so excited with it.
So, next thing. In relation to experience, same way. So you end up on the road because we know the movie Jamaica just has a Richard Brown films right now. When people say on the road, what is it like?
Okay, so when I'm on the streets, people see me and they say, movie star, or you been seeing one movie? I would say yes. I say, what's it be like? And I tell them, and some of them fast, you get paid how long you do it, and them call you. And if I fit to answer, I answer. But people say me, practically when people saw me, they say, movie star, movie girl. I say, hello.
No. So the acting open up opportunities, feel like people call you, offer you, like say you want to do this, or you know, like offer you things like about a pay. No opportunities open up for you?
Well, yeah, basically, yeah. I've gained a lot since working with Richard Brown Films. A lot of people have reached out to me and helped me out.
When you see that, so you know it's a Richard Brown Films is a big movement. And I'm my brethren, you know, my brethren Richard Brown, big star. So, alright, I think we get a whole heap as it relates to movie, your passion and all that where you come from. So, more in depth now. If you were to describe the kind of girl that you are, how would you describe that person?
Well, I would say I'm a very moody person. Like, I would just get up in a bad mood, start to molest everybody without them doing me anything. You know, I'm very intelligent, I have a lot of ambition, I'm determined, and I'm very inspirational.
You know, I said do differently. I saw mistakes sometimes too. But I know I said unfair. Like sometimes we have bad mood. I'm just not want nobody deal with me. I feel like I want to take out everything like my, but I know I said not fair. But I understand, I get it. So, alright, we know the kind of girl that Shakira is. Oh, people, she have one YouTube channel. Come, tell about the YouTube channel again.
So I've been working on YouTube. I wouldn't say working because I'm like pairs it for 1 year now. I'm almost to 1 year at 900. And so I would like you guys to go over there and subscribe to my channel, Ashanti James. Just go on YouTube and type in Ashanti James. You can go on TikTok and also type in Ashanti James 20.
So on here, I'm not just watching people. It's an amazing young lady there right over here. So, and yes, me know I'm more fortunate than Una because I'm right here right now with her, asking her all the questions. But she's amazing, and definitely go over there and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And she has an Instagram as well, so make sure say wanna go check out the Instagram. Tell her the Instagram.
Okay, so the Instagram is Shakaberry25. SHACKABERRY. Shakaberry25.
Cool. So school. Tell a little bit about school.
Okay, so you know, school. I'm gonna be honest. To me, like when it's come on to studying, I'll do that, but I don't really like the book thing. But
Me not cut it. Me not like it. Me never used to study. I mean I'm both, but me never fail on an exam, but me never usually study. Like me never study. But anyhow, nah,
like
cut
fail
it.
exam when I'm careless. Like sometimes you see if me not like it, subject, I'm just not gonna practically sit down and study for it. That's because now I fail it. So my mind and my brain kinda get donkey to the subject because I don't like it. But once I love that subject I will pass it. But school is great because I'm gonna leave school in 3 months, 3 to 2 months, and I'm so sad.
You're sad?
Yes, because I'm gonna miss my friends.
No, but you can still link up.
Because at my school, me and every one of the teachers are so close, especially the principal. You know, so it's gonna be
Big up your principal then.
Yes, Mrs. Maxine Evans. Big up. Oh, and also I would like to big up everyone in Grangeville, Westmoreland.
Big up Grangeville.
Yes, Jayan, big up yourself. All of the Peggy Barry and Top Link and the fans them who know me. I know so glad to see me. Big up on yourself. Big up my father, God James. I know you love me so much. I'm gonna love you.
Oh, them best sound like gunshots, so. I Westmoreland this anyways, guys. So with the right answer, it really sound like a gunshot after over there, but over there, so them there. So before I move off of the school thing, I want to know your favorite subject.
Okay, my favorite subject is English.
And which one you don't like? You hate that one there?
Maths. I'm practically slow in mathematics.
Well, yo, people never hate maths, do not hate math.
Maths
do
and
not hate
Spanish.
math.
But I practically passed Spanish. I've never passed maths.
Well, I don't know why people don't really like the numbers thing, but anyhow, so might end the video now, or might just stay over here with her until somebody from Richard Brown team call her and say, oh, acting team. Because that me do them, I always just teach them, do one like a short film or get a little in on the personality, and yeah. So I don't know, probably end the video now, probably not. Have anything you want to say?
Okay, so I think I want to make some little filters, some little, what do you call them, handouts for my channel for people to go and subscribe.
Oh, you mean like some little card thing? Yeah. No, but people, differently do. Probably, I'm not saying enough to do it, but probably you can save her the trouble of having to do that by sharing her content. Please, just share it. Share it.
Yes, guys, share it so I can reach the 1K.
So anything I want to say to Richard Brown Films team?
Yes, I would like to say a big thank you. Can't stop saying thank you because you guys have really made me to have this opportunity to see my talent and, you know, reach my dreams that I always wanted to do acting. That's it's from a tender age that I always dreamed to be an actor, and people see the acting in me and say it's naturally.
Yeah, you're tough too. You're tough really. Like when I watch a movie them, I say, oh, John, one good thing I say I'm an actress, I swear to you. So Mr. Brown, you see that? Mr. Brown, I watch the videos them. I need to do an interview with them, Mr. Brown. A long, good interview in depth. Like how I know I really question them if I ask about differently though. You see it? When you see? Mr. Brown, I see opportunities them we create for people. I think we should describe, like in a nutshell, everything is happiness. But make sure you have the final say and then close the channel and tell them to subscribe. Yeah, would you say what you're experiencing right now is happiness or close to it?
Happiness.
Happiness?
Yes.
Jano.
I'm feeling so comfortable to see myself on YouTube. People seeing me and feel so excited in seeing me. And like, girl, I see talent in your body. I rate it, you know? It's so great.
Alright, so I'm not as fortunate as her. I wouldn't describe my current state of mind as happy, but contented. But patience, one step at a time. I get there. So, thank you for tuning in as usual. like the videos, please, so we can get full-length movies on here, and so we can continue making these videos, because you know equipment we're down, and we rely on the ad revenues and the views on here. So when you guys click like and when you guys click subscribe, it makes that whole process easier. So definitely like the videos, guys, definitely subscribe and stay tuned for more content. But Shaka Bear, I think they want to hear from you. Tell them to like, share and subscribe.
Yeah, you can, and like, share and subscribe on the Akeem Lawrence, and go over to Ashanti James channel and subscribe and share the videos.
Bye bye. Welcome people, pick up on yourself. Welcome back to the channel. So now we have no time. I'm in Negril. Now an ample that's a name. I remember if an ample that's a name, but I'm there out by Firehouse place. So this is I'm on the shoot of the start of a new movie. So we'll get some official BTS behind the scenes video of Richard Brown Films. So what we are going to do is we are going to meet some of the actors, because you know them have new actors now. See if we can find out the personality of these actors as opposed to one sitting at the movie. And you know, see how everything come together. If them fight and cuss them one another, the whole coming together of the movie. I'm not certain what the movie name, but all I know is that they are beginning and they are starting a new movie today. And we get some behind the scenes, meet the actors, them, all that good stuff. But we don't know how Laura do it, not true? Now if we get some nice visuals, where uno call intro, me call B-roll, I will do it. So guys, first person, me steal away from the cats. Come. Yeah, try to run. I have to move around the crowd, because as you see now the B-roll video them. So introduce yourself, Miss Kelly.
Hi guys, my name is Kelani.
She don't know what happened to her right now, no? But now, how does it feel? Tell her about a little movie acting thing.
Yes.
Come talk to her. Tell her what going on with the movie business, Richard Brown Films. Tell her, talk to her, want to know what going on.
Good day everyone, my name is Kelani. I don't like giving out my last name, but my name is Kelani.
Changbody Kelani.
Well, my first time in Richard Brown Films was the day when Akeem came to me and asked if I could be a part of it.
Oh yes, the blouse and skirt. I remember when you see her when I get around there, so I see her come. I look at her now. Well, whenever I look nobody, you know me like flirt and things, so yeah, I know I'm not even remember that. Anyways, continue the story that my friend.
And so I began to express my true inner self and get comfortable. And now we're having a lot of fun, because we are having also a movie releasing with me. It's When Will You Stop Lying? Yeah, but my experience here has been wonderful. Sometimes, you know, we have our ups and downs, but
her face might look like she's serious, guys, but
I am.
She's not serious.
But I love to laugh.
Serious.
I love to laugh.
So, one more question before me let her go off of the video now is, what you see for yourself and Richard Brown Films? Like, where you will see yourself? I see yourself a part of this team 5 years from now. You see growth 5 years from now and all of that?
I do, because if we do the maths, how long have I been in this institution actually? About almost a year now.
Almost 1 year now,
yes, and I'm still here.
Almost 1 year since I come here gate, come tell us, Ray.
Yes.
Rastafari. So guys, there you have it. As I say, I'm not plan the question, I'm not thinking more bunks. So I'm done with it now, I can go and do it.
Thank you.
Hold on. You have no man?
Yes, I do. I have a boyfriend.
Alright, that one I taken, guys. So, when nobody link up Richie on Instagram, I tell him to link up with no strong body girl.
You can link me up, man.
You know, just have man.
You know, my friend like that.
You see, you know that? Them girls are wicked, them.
No, I don't mean that.
My name is Tori. Tori Shay, in fact, but you can call me Tori.
So tell me a little bit about what going on there at us now.
Right now.
Alright, because I know my audience like. So I'm not gonna believe me, but she does not know who I am. She's clueless.
Yeah,
we actually
I know
come down here together. So my name is Akin. I am a videographer, editor, all that good stuff. Not an actor like yourself.
Yeah, there's some
all of them
acting
good something.
still.
So, me I do acting?
I've seen it.
Which person me do acting?
I can't remember. I moved them in Saturday and one landlord one time.
Guys, we're famous!
What go on in the movie, a real issue is going on right now. I want to find a way to make it so creative. It did just grab me and I was like, whoa, never did expect this. So, at the end of that movie, I think a Curious and Richard Brown there say, you know, say, if you're interested in being a part of this, you can link me up.
So hold on, and Richard them did a link from before this then?
I know, today we
Oh, you mean you see it in the video where my son can... Oh, okay,
That's
so, okay.
So I say, alright, if that's the case, let me link him then and see how soon he would respond.
So...
I can't believe I see him now, he didn't respond.
Yeah, I understand. So, how does it feel? Excited? Like, what are you looking forward to?
You see, I'm a media person. I studied media in school, and from young, I was always interested in entertainment and even some acting, right? But that passion did just kind of quell over the years. Me just start up on the pursuit for the money and kind of did lose this passion in me. So right now,
I feel my audience, I say, like them want to look in at them eyes.
yes, they want, yeah. So, because audience, maybe we should stand up in front of them right now. But yeah, this is just me getting back that passion because I can't act, you know. This possibly how you see me now, you probably can see one character, but I can go on some different characters. You just have to take a little more practice. So guys, nobody to judge me, but I'm very excited for this. Very, very excited, and whatever role me get, I'm gonna try my best to embody.
And just start it up,
It does make me excited, very excited. So I'm ready for start.
Alright, so 2 down guys, 2 persons then excited. And hear how the link up going and passionate about acting. I look forward to it. New movie I start today. You gotta play first.
Yeah.
And you have no idea where I play today?
I have no idea at all.
No idea.
I say whatever role me get, me just ready for it. Ready for it. Whether it is some ghetto girl, whether it is some gangster, or whether it's some...
You know, I think a gangster thing would I work with us still.
Because that's me naturally.
Yeah, it look like a gangster thing would I work with us.
We can do the female walk to, you know, and put on heels. I like that. I like that. We can.
Your classes. No man, they don't show you a fan work. Yeah man, sorry. That funny I forget you to help.
And that's your own there to help.
And that, I just tell them saying probably have to help out the fun, you know?
Oh, it's soon build up plan.
You look like you can catch him, man.
Somebody have to build up, right?
And then that they tell us, and they say you have to patiently wait.
No, you have to speak. That's when they need help. It is special. Which one is the water in I feel down. What? River. But the girl is a forbidden dog.
I don't understand how the whole on just come in a shan video saying, you know?
We have water, and that's how it is.
We're
that's
invaders.
Jamaican
there.
And we buy it.
Me ask so where them rest or something.
Yeah, look like this, I don't know. And then people there I deal with the
My paparazzi live in our house, you know. I'm a star, you know, so paparazzi have to live in our house, you know, I think. So, Curious King, how go on in the kitchen now?
We have cut up some sweet potato. You know what I mean?
Yeah, Curious King, that food, no? Real Rasta, with sweet potato and thing. Eat your grow you eat, no?
So you go, you know?
Yeah. So, people, we're in a Negril over which part the prostitutes are, or usually there. I know this because of my previous occupation. So, I will talk to Richard Brown and find out what them are doing. Yeah, so, yeah.
The wet man. Wet like really wet. If you walk from this, so most likely you wouldn't. Alright, yo, come by the side because you don't look better for the camera if you just walk straight and sit right there. So. Right, so wipe it off.
So you say I'm not saying now, Mr. Brown?
Alright, so we developed this story, so we have to get some nice cutaways, and it's always good to change the scenery. So we just kind of use up a beach park to kind of help tell the story. You see me?
And what story is that for all the people I'm clueless, I know?
We have a big discussion. Don't go too far, right there, sir. We have a big discussion in regards to relationship and abuse. So what we are trying to tell the story from two angles. From the male perspective of being abused and from the female perspective. So we just cannot tell a story from this, and then we just get the end result.
Alright, so this is a part of you getting all of that storyline together?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright, so ready? So don't talk, though, right? Hold it right there, hold it. I already know. Alright, so basically,
look at the movie stars. Tori, Shan, director Mr. Brown over there, so Mr. Alton. Just a while ago have one lady try to sell him some. Alton, how that go a while ago?
Girl?
Woman that try to sell us something a while ago?
Yes, broad daylight, brother.
How much price? How much you say?
Run out her house and look like she get cut out. Whatever happened to her and she gone a doctor. So you know hear that now, so you not get your friend phone. You're gone over there if you go look for your friend. If you're not wrong with her, you're going to see somebody say you realize you see the blood pan your gum now. Whatever. So you get angry and start or you like you want to fight him. And then you know end up in a sexual thing. Same time now she, but when I have to work, we have to work with the time. The time would have to be John, like it happened before. So by the time you go over there, she would have come look for you. You understand? So while you go look for she now, she'll look for you. So you could have be cross the platform. So after she get dressed up or whatever for boy or whatever, kind of nothing big. You understand? So you kind of say, no man, I just pan her finger to get her cut pan serious.
Say that I should have come back and look for me and buck up in you.
Yeah, she actually have buck up in me.
So yes people, them just gone them do them like a deliberation as to how them a get that part of the movie together. So when you hear what Mr. Brown said earlier, it have to do with abuse and relationship from both male and female perspective. So what time is it now? 10:40 and I'm still up discuss movie. So I joined in for like a piece of the editing earlier, and yeah, we are follow the Richard Brown films thing, guys. So look like there is more to it than we actually expect, because I think people would have sleep at them hours. Someone are dead curious.
The breed smell bad boy. I don't want to run marathon when the body asleep to bum. You understand it?
Like say asleep, people come off asleep, and asleep people come off asleep in a bus. At work, people come off work. Yep,
One day they can do a movie, 2 days and done before the movie.
want to try to set on record?
But look, everybody asleep. I must think everybody has asleep. Who can sleep the fastest enough?
Work still a go on. Work still a go on. We'll get some more visuals. Even I take a verse and joke now. How much finger you see?
Bunny ears.
Bunny ears.
Bunny ears.
She tired guys. How your body feel?
Hello.
No, physically, how you feel?
Physically, mellow.
Mellow?
Mellow.
No, what mellow mean?
What mellow?
What mellow mean? What mellow feel
Little
like?
heavy.
Heavy?
A little heavy. I'm a good one.
So, alright, you remember what I talked about earlier? Alright, so you have a better idea of the role we are playing now?
Yes, oh my. I'm playing one of them roles there where people please not hate me or judge me for this first role, but I'm playing an abusive
I think enough
character.
women are going to side with you. I don't think them are going to dislike you. I think I like them, I going to like you. Jamaican people weird, you know. You understand? It's when a man do the abusing, which me condemn 100%. When the woman do the beating, you know, it's like everybody support it. Anyhow, what the experience like so far?
Boy, one thing we can say, these people work, but the experience is nice, man. Everything easy. We're part of the we're part of the ideas, you know, the idea making, basically.
Yeah. Feel like family yet?
It gets in there, you know. We still get to know each other. We still work on the scenes, them, and working together so far has been good, man. It has been. I mean, not really to know much about the abusive role, but they've been helping me and assist me in a day. Oh, it just
I fun I want to help guys.
Yeah.
In my humble opinion though, she embodied that character that good. Thumbs up. When I was seeing in the movie. Morning. It is day 2 of the shoot of that movie. Alright, the thing is, we can get a bit confusing. So I know I said they were starting a new movie, but throughout the course of everything, so this is the second day now. So during the course of everything, what I realized is that sometimes what the whole team does, the Richard Brown Films, the whole team, what they do is sometimes they'll be shooting a movie, right? And then they start another movie, right? No, probably because the resources that are needed to shoot probably a second movie, they are there, so they just use that resource or use those resources and start that movie. Understand? So like they'll have like 3-4 movies concurrently. So that is what I realized. Yeah, got some early shots this morning with Richard Brown. So yeah, I never expect it to be so much. But I think them just don't finish one movie and then, but like the man they not play the thing, man. All 2-3 movies start shoot one time. Are you rested now, my boss?
Yeah, I'm rested, man. Up early now, see if we can get some food. Pot a boil and just start edit and start shoot. So we're not playing now.
I'm playing.
And you answer me and tell me say yes. Because like how you know me, you're not going to own it.
Me tell her that?
You did that to me.
Evening, people, pick up on yourself. So I try, a young lady I tell some people life for me. Now she really I do the video about, but she tell me something I'm new to, you know.
I'm not. We're going to do a get to know me video, and it's also going to be on both channels. Your channel and my channel, Akeem. Can't put the camera on me for her.
No, can I see her bunks like so.
The phone is that good.
I tell me about how more I'm looking at my head earlier, you know. So before we go no further.
Yeah.
Come. What was one of the most popular movies you took part in?
I think it was There is Honey.
Where is Honey?
Yeah.
Who were you in Where is Honey?
A villain.
Yeah, but like, where did I do?
I stole the baby.
Oh, are you thief the baby? My blood's not scared. I'm not even the member.
I'm a sister.
Christasha. Christasha is the name, right?
Yes.
Christasha. So come now, Christasha. What I get from her persona so far? She seems reserved and quiet, like she can't wash hands.
We all know that. I'm a nice person.
Don't make the looks them fool. No. So, Christasha, which part I come from?
Actually, I'm from Burnt Savannah, but me down here now.
So,
In Negril.
why are the nigger and not Burnt Savannah anymore?
I have a child.
Oh, so relationship care was a nigger?
Yes.
Oh, we hurt need. So tell me about that. Tell me a little bit about family. Yo, I don't understand how they always beat me because I go past another life. I don't understand how them always beat me for do videos in the guys. And when I ask them the question of them, don't want answer.
I sighed. That doesn't mean I didn't answer.
Sigh is not an answer.
I sighed because I was going to answer.
Because you were going to answer?
Yes, I was going to answer. I was going to tell you about my family. I love my family.
Okay, so the reason why I ask her about family, you know, when we speak to the actors, actresses on here, we try to get to know them outside of their characters in the movie, which I think is a very fascinating thing. So, hence the question family, because family kind of can't define the personality. Yes, so.
My family?
What is Christasha's family like?
I would say one of the best. For me.
Yeah, that's just total bias. That's
not for
100% bias.
For me it is. And my family. And my family.
Alright, are the best.
I have the best son.
What's his name?
His name is Chris Swan Brown. He's a 1-year-old child. A male, to be precise. I love that as well. Because...
So, she not really tell you much about family, so I can move on to the movie question them now. I'm kind of salty in that video, I don't know if I can tell. So, as per usual, how you and Richard them link up?
Oh, I did I watch Friend in Need.
Don't tell me say up on Instagram I link them up to.
No, I take down the number for YouTube.
And you call them?
I text him on WhatsApp. But the thing is, listen to this, I have one dream, you know. It's like I watch the movie and I drop asleep. I may drop asleep before I watch the movie, but I had a dream the same day I text them, say.
Hold on, pause. You can please look in my eye when you talk?
Okay.
As in look into our eyes.
Okay.
Thank you, yes.
Yeah, as me I said, I did have one dream. My dream said me one movie up on my yard that I burned Savannah. And somebody...
Hold on. Mind them bungs, so Christasha.
About Brad.
Alright.
Somebody took the road that I was supposed to pay, and who know me knows I'm grumpy and miserable. So I did get upset and then wake up out of the dream. But I did actually turn one actress in the dream. And then me text them, Richie tell me books that I have interview though. I think it was the Thursday. It was the Thursday and then I come around here. And the same day I come around here, I do the run out of the whole scene. I'm gonna tell my sister. And a friend in need that night there.
Oh. So the link up have some kind of, what I call it now, some kind of superstition to it because she has a, I'm not superstitious guy, so I sound insensitive about it, sorry. So through the dream thingy.
Yeah, I think it's coincidence or it's God's plan.
You see, because I know you, and I know say it's a troublemaker, and like me I try to bring out a party and it's like it just not work. I know so them all look for you and just feel like I just this little angel. Yo, every time I come here, Christasha have problem with me. Every time I come here, Christasha. You trouble me for no reason at all.
I keep every day.
Alright, come, talk the truth.
You say me I don't friend. Why? How can you not be my friend?
No, you say you not talk to me.
You said it first.
Me say it first?
You said it first, Akeem. You did.
So hold on, tell me what happened now. That's me tell us we're not talking. Come.
Let me ask you one question.
What? Let me say ask too much question? Where they ask me? What were the questions you were asking?
Ask you about police. Your
wait.
life.
Did I ask me? Where ask me about police?
I asked you if you ever.
Oh, people. She asked me if me ever kill nobody. Like how you ask somebody that question. The worst if. Alright. Anyways.
You were a cop. So me want to know. And then.
But I mean, there's a million other questions like why that one. I never feel no way still.
Me did want to know like if him do it, why feeling you don't get after, you know, and like if you don't nervous or feel some type of way deep down, like you regret saying it, you know, like that.
I mean, if any sensitive human being takes a life, I'm gonna feel some kind of way, but. It kind of different. I'm answer a question. It kind of, you see, because of the training, it is different. There is no way to word it. But when one policeman take a life and he might go about in lawful duty in a field, no kind of way, and just feel like he might doing job. And like for just say it like that, I go sound kind of shallow. But as me say, it's hard because like to explain it kind of hard. But. No, they asked me some different question too.
Ask about your life and your relationship. Because you did say you have one girl in the house where you like, where nobody never know about. And everybody be inquisitive to ask. And never me alone. I'm going to ask this, you not talk, so I'm leave you alone.
Actually, I never have nobody in that place, so I just let figure around.
So why you did I do that?
Because like, why is it important who nobody interested in?
Every girl in the house name. And then, let's leave that.
And then what?
And then let's leave that.
And then they come down from here. But the thing is, you know, me never tell nobody who or whoever. Assume when I time then things say me and Biba and things. Like seriously.
Nothing is wrong with Biba. If you know her, you know her. That's just her. That's Biba being her.
Alright.
Then they assume say me. Why
Aren't there guys that nothing? Aren't there guys out there? That nothing no wrong with them, but you're just gonna see yourself.
Is that a question?
And so me just said that to say, like I'm not insulting her in any way. She's a beautiful young lady. Nothing is wrong with her, but
Biba.
Could I probably kill each other? Yeah. So I think we get some in on your personality a little bit. So tell me now, what do you do for fun?
Actually, I love to act. I read. Candy Crush.
Hold on. You know what I'm saying? People tell me so they read though. Like me get irritated.
Why?
Because like you say you do it for fun, right? And this is just me I try to understand what next human being. You read. Alright, before I start assume, what do you read?
I read novels.
See what me I talk about. Alright, what kind of novels you read?
My recent novel was After.
After?
Yeah, there's a movie about it, so guys you can go and watch.
But what's that book about though, After?
It is actually two a high schooler, you know, or college student, something like that. And then this girl, and then this nigga.
I'm gonna ask you one question. You get to one point in the book where you come like a porn and you read?
I mean, duh.
That's how me I talk about.
You feel it, you know? You actually feel it
like me have this exact conversation with Natasha yesterday, but you would never get to complete the interview because I try so hard. It's a porn book. Like me expect, and probably me wrong and you can't tell me.
Well.
No, it's just that I expect like when people say they read books, like me I expect it to be like one autobiography, like one Ben Carson, one Obama. Not. It's a porn book, like.
It's not necessarily porn.
Alright, tell me the most exciting part of those novels.
When you can't relate. Worse if you're in a relationship and I see something happen and you can't relate.
I'm gonna tell you the most exciting part of the book for me.
What?
It's the part that I reach where, so when I reach, I have to close the book and take a deep breath and then start read again like, bombard! Seriously? Because then describe in detail so much, especially when you reach to the sex part.
That's what I like. I actually like that part because you get intense and you feel it someplace, you know.
You see something telling you? Problem. So there she is, guys, the beautiful Christasha. Yeah man, she full of energy, although you see her look like she little and small and can't mash hands.
Me nice.
So, what kind of person would you say you are? Nice?
No.
What?
I'm one of the best persons you could ever meet.
Yo, you think then too exaggerated, Bridget. Like, ask me what kind of person do I think I am. I think I'm a reserved person. I think me eccentric. To some extent, socially awkward. To some extent. Can I not really talk much?
But me, I talk the truth. I am speaking the truth.
But the best in the world, Christasha?
No, not really said the best in the world, but what I said one of.
Oh, okay. Okay. What makes you one of the best persons in the world?
You can talk to me about anything and be sure that nobody else not gonna hear.
Alright.
I'm helpful.
Helpful?
Yeah.
Alright.
I'm a think I put people before me.
I have a problem down here, so. Okay. Can I show me? No. I don't know. You say helpful, so I don't know if I can fix no problem.
What's the problem actually?
It won't seem to stay over here, so because normally it would have call it flaccid. That's what them call it.
That's not one problem because we did it.
Yo, I'm gonna end the video, man. So, yeah, guys, that's Christasha for you. I want you to tell them to like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah. Yes, guys, remember to like, share, leave a comment, and subscribe. Also, run over to my channel. It's Christasha Watkin. You'll have it in the description. Bye.
So, you want this video for your channel and my channel?
Yes.
Alright, no problem.
Peace out the video with my hand now.
No problem, make it do?
Peace out. Peace.
So she full of attitude, man. Yo, why make you do that again? Come, let's say peace out.
Peace out, guys.
Peace out.
I love you.
That's funny, I'm learning. Peace out. Peace out. First time, you want peace out again?
No.
Later, people, we go for the self. Remember, you know, leave a like on the video and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Would you smash or pass that man over there? Papa, Christasha says she wants to smash her.
Why you want to smash?
I'm not going to hit you. I'm going to...
Good day, people. Welcome back to the channel. One of the things that she an angel, you know. I don't swear to God that she an angel, but it's a devil.
Hi, beautiful people. How are you doing? Sun is in my eyes.
But you know, I want to kiss from her. But remember to leave a like on the video, guys, and subscribe. So,
subscribe. Go over to my channel at Krista's Life.
You have content over there?
Yes, I do.
You need to put up video for people and watch and send them over there.
I put up video, but it just take my time. Guys, I have about 3 videos. But it doesn't matter. I'm loyal to do it.
Where's the way I do? Another one.
We're going to do a smash or pass.
Hold on. Smash and pass. With which people them?
We actors and actresses.
We actors and actresses?
Yeah, we co-work.
So you go first? Hold on there! What that? How? Krista! No! How about that for Krista? This is how that for your neck!
But it's out!
Whoa!
No, for my neck.
No, sir! Look how me think this is a girl. Alright. Me cannot manage something bite up on your neck, mama. You need a mosquito net. No! A mosquito, yeah. A mosquito that narval. So, I use a smash and pass, you know. What going on?
You want me to go first?
Nah, I go first.
Would you smash or pass Natasha? Her picture is gonna be on the screen, guys.
Yes, her picture got up on the screen. Smash or pass, Natasha. I'ma have to pass, man. I'ma have to pass.
Well,
I'ma have to pass, man. Hear that smash, Natasha? So, smash or pass? Would you smash or pass Alton Garden?
You don't know a pass. Me Alton can't agree.
No, star.
No offense, Alton.
Alright.
Just for our lovely people.
Alright, come again. Me again.
Would you smash or pass? I can't remember the girl name.
Oh man.
One that you like Rasta girl, remember her name?
Who, Tori?
Yeah, Tori.
Let's smash our pass, Tori. My God, for pass.
Yeah, pass everybody.
No, not everybody will talk about this.
Okay. What a chance, yeah. I like it here.
Yeah.
You have a pretty smile.
Hold on. Yes. Smash. Smash our pass. We are playing. Say, would you smash our pass?
Pass, mommy.
She passed my ear. She smashed me. Whoa.
If I say pass, smash, mommy, man. Pass again.
Anyway.
So. Alright, so me get smashed, guys. I got smashed. Big ups to
You
me.
lie me. You not ask me about yourself.
So now you just say me have smile and you that smash.
Me say Tori.
Oh, you that smash, Tori?
Yeah.
Hold on, what you say, twin? Hold on, come on, pass. What you say? This smash or pass not done yet. So, pass Natasha, pass Tori. I love them both though. However, Miss here said she would smash both of them. Yeah. So, would you smash or pass? Yours truly. Smash.
Pass.
What?
Pass.
Would you?
I mean, you forgot your toe.
Would you? Alright, your turn.
Would you smash or pass Shan?
Oh, that's the girl that always a part to her? Pass.
Pass everyone and woman them.
Would you? Would you smash?
Smash nobody. No woman.
Would you smash or pass Richard Brown?
Richie and my boss. Me not gonna touch your boss.
No, I'm not saying gameplay. Oh, yeah, I got video, let him out.
You pass, you see my help, you go let him out.
Oh, yeah, I forgot video. Come, hold this. So,
every woman.
No man say smash or pass, you pass, every woman now smash none.
Oh, him say him not smash none.
Me never say me not smash none, it's just that the one them where you go so far, me pass. Come, you have to put me in the green box. Put me in the green box and press this so me in a focus.
Yeah, me, Richie them did show me that.
Alright, good. So, video me. So, we're not done with the smash or pass yet, people. May I go take one little piece of movie?
You're not focus it.
Don't stop, eh?
Oh.
You're not focus now?
Yeah.
Alright, good. Krista shall learn to use the camera. You zoom in. So, come back up?
Passing.
Pass on yourself.
Yeah, I mean, I know how you come up, so you don't want to run back this and come up.
So, you want to go up or down?
I want
That's Richie.
to
So, guys, we are doing a scene.
Ready?
No, go front of me, say, like me.
Oi! Video lady, just hold up the camera now. Hey, so, what happened?
What if I know, sir?
What happened?
This heavy.
We're not done smash and pass yet. We have some more smashing to go.
You're going, you know. You're going to smash till you smash something wrong.
Me fuck two of them there already.
See, big boss attack then. Put the camera on him now.
No, that one.
No, that can't go up on internet, you mad.
Attention now.
You must not see that side of me. Eh?
Where?
Eh.
Come.
Biba saying, oh, 2 person already.
Yeah, that's what I'll say.
So now she said.
Yeah, so.
As she said, I am not in that list of 2 persons who she mentioned. I'm not in the list.
You people might say that 2 persons.
That me know. But when me tell them not clear, please. Me not in that. I'm not any of the 2 that.
You're the artist.
You done?
No, almost. Watch it all time.
No, with me.
Yeah. So you're the answer.
So come in.
Which one I dog give me that?
So listen me, lady. You just behind the scenes. When that the man there chat to put the camera on.
Come, don't make no noise, boy, man.
Me not see
And I'm
him.
gonna vex up my face. We still come back with the smash and pass.
Ready? Yeah.
I say Chris touch on my mom, I got.
Yeah, them near me out. Guys, if this no record 100, I'm not a cameraman.
So, smash or pass? Would you smash or pass Megapixel? Answer no?
Mega is a liar, man.
Mega is a loyal man.
So like you're smash.
Me never asked that. Me never asked
Me
that.
not go and smash Mega cause me no want Mega woman come for me.
So yeah.
Don't call me.
Me call that name already.
I'm already
No,
called.
name shouldn't call me because I'm going to be your father.
Yeah,
So, come. Again, ready again.
tell me.
No, you say Mega, you know.
Would you smash or pass the original candy?
Candy, I'm a virgin. I can't move for smash candy, eh?
I'm a dog.
I'm a general that. I'm for pass.
Get out of focus.
It's alright. It's not focus, I know.
Yeah.
It's not focus. So, smash or pass? Would you smash or pass? Juta rhyme. Get how you toss out for a long time. Get how you toss
You talk us to this?
Hold on.
Oh, disrespect, Rasta.
Where say pass? You know, say nobody knows.
Lord have mercy.
Me
on
see.
this event.
Me see it long time, man. Me I say, what kind of mosquito bite him up, so?
Which man?
Vampire. Me don't know which
Nobody
man.
don't bite
You
me.
ask me say which man? Which man?
Nobody don't bite
Which
me
in this
neck.
part? You say baby so coffee drop. I get turned up and gone home. Maybe I curious when right after you go last night after I rain.
Oh, this morning this come
This
happen.
morning. Early morning wake up.
No, since before me come out here. Me have sex or no.
Thank you one before you come out and say yo.
Because me die for
Body
around
see
you.
it. The body see it. Means saying seats you just get something but I look fine, don't you?
Me have sex for sure.
You just have it next.
So just
I
line
have
up
it
with
first
them
do
next.
it. No, I'm a with him.
That's right.
I have a blackout that off our channel.
Here now.
But anyways, your boss, Mr. Juta rhyme. Sorry, my boss.
Would you
Uh-huh.
smash or pass Orlando?
Seriously, big man thing. Pass. Come. Would you? No, differently. No, can't pass everybody.
I do a pass everybody.
No, just cause I don't reach down to nobody when we would smash. Yeah? Alright. For your time again. But no more man no left. Rated. Oh, would you smash or pass? Grey balls.
Blood.
Yo, that smash and pass and no normal at all. So
Down in belly.
no.
How much that me go do?
My turn.
Rub down in belly. Would you smash or pass Chris Tasha?
Chris Tasha. Yeah, right, that's right now. Smash.
Ah, that ya wait fun.
Smash.
Oh, you want Sergi? Would you smash or pass?
Hold on, no one can laugh, so.
Fire.
Oh.
Hey,
Yo. Hey.
Body done. Hey. Tell her the intention of the girl. Fire! My bun in the whole place.
Yo, what going? If video done, Chris Tasha does why out the video.
Why tell me? Move on there.
Hey, big up on yourself and people. This is really and truly Chris Tasha's version of smash and pass. But it's kind of unfair because Alright, but I hold all this everybody. I want somebody who that really smashed. How you go? How you go? How you go? How you go? It's done, man. You're lucky. So, Christasha, anything you want to say to the people before any video?
Guys, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Comment if you don't want one more. Smash our pass, mukbang, whatever. We get it.
Alright, don't hear that. So, big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning in as usual. Remember to subscribe, you know. Remember to subscribe and leave one like on the video.
Go
Thanks.
my channel.
Tell them to like and subscribe and go up on your channel now.
You tell them about mine. Your turn to talk.
So go up on Christasha channel, people. You know, see them come over there already.
Christa's live.
Christa's live.
Yeah.
Christa's live.
Live.
Live. Oh.
Christasha nearly reached 200 subscribers already and the other day 40 at the end of the day.
We are going good month.
Big up yourself. So go and support the movement, people. Look more. We chat to you again. We got tired.
You see the difference now. What kind of smash and pass do you talk about?
Do you want to do the honors?
Yes, please.
Okay. Smash. Pass. It's just for the video.
Would you?
Not serious.
Would you?
The girl.
Would you?
Wait now.
Would
Wait
you?
now. Let me get the girl name. The girl when they come down here. When I
Pause it first.
I cannot pause the video, sir. It's already rolling.
Chantage name.
Me give she same warning like for me keep me.
Me hear
same warning.
Yeah, you give me one.
Shall go back to Papa. Yeah, say it for camera.
Would you?
Original, no, me not hear what Richie say.
We don't need to hear what Richie say.
Go hear what Richie say.
Watch out.
Oh.
You don't smash our pass, man.
You?
Yeah, smash our pass.
Wait there.
Hold on.
Go, go.
Hold on. Hold on.
Yeah, but you know, nobody at all.
Yeah, you're not smash nobody.
You don't say nobody at all.
Me say smash.
Who?
You're not saying nobody.
Me say mother smash, Papa.
We can't manage. So come. Yours truly. Smash our pass.
I keep telling you, come down.
What?
But I want to hear what she going to say off camera. Because she said, if you don't go on YouTube, say, no, that means.
So I have also Richie. You.
Hold on.
Me I choose. Me want to know.
No, you can't do that yet. You have to just wait. You have to wait till I ask you. So, we have to start with me first. We have to start with me first. Hold on, we have to start with me first.
No, you know, tell me. We say, out of everybody,
Yeah,
you
me
tell out in
understand.
them. John Dick, Tom, and Harry.
So, you don't smash our pass here, truly. Mr. Lawrence here, me, smash pass. Watch out! No, sir! No, sir!
It's a sweet Richie.
Alright, hold on. We start again.
You want me to go barber? I laugh too much because me just a hot man.
Hold on. Me I try to get control of this space, guys. Listen, me I try to get control of this space. Hold on.
Who is it? That you say that. Come on, tell me interview because you're going to give up. Come on, eh? Come on, man, talk to you, know. You like it, never.
Alright, smash our pass. Would you smash our pass? That guy.
All the time.
Pass.
Blood clot.
Braveheart.
Brave.
Alright. Again, next. Your turn, your turn. So, after me, then you...
Would you smash or pass Candy?
Candy, I'm a general, I'm telling you. Pass. No, Candy, I'm a smash Candy. Candy, I'm a G. No, Candy, I'm a G. No, but but yeah, what go on? May I be honest, you know, Candy, I'm a G. Me can't smash.
No, that me mean.
No,
You can mark that.
no, turn off.
Me I say if you go crap the video, then like three ask her about the same thing.
I think they like the perspective then. So.
This is gonna be everywhere.
This one?
If you use everybody, if you ask everybody.
Oh no, it'll be different. It'll be different. It'll quite different. Yeah. It'll be a different video altogether. So back to the smash or passing thing. So she passed Alton. Your time for question me, you know, Candy, my pass. So my turn for ask you again. Would you smash or pass Richie?
Pass.
What's up?
Pass.
What? Alright, cool. My turn.
Would you smash or pass Kelani?
Pass Kelani, I'm a little sister. Can't smash my little sister. And then I prefer dark skin over. Yeah. So, my turn again. Smash or pass? Would you? Bag of things go on right now. No. Bag of things go on. Would you smash or pass fire us?
Pass.
No, I don't understand how everybody just a pass. I never ask you if you just smash it.
Bunny down to the ground.
That's a bunny dog tiger. Alright, my turn again.
Would you smash or pass Christasha?
Smash! Okay. Alright, who there again? Blur it, yes. Would you smash or pass Popeye?
Pass.
Yo, I don't understand, you know, how you pass everybody.
Like that, so me couldn't cross the boundary.
Alright. Smash or pass? My turn now. Come on.
Would you smash or pass Natasha? Is that her name?
Yo, me and Natasha just attack all night and she said she want to make my best friend. I can't smash. You couldn't ask me before. I can't.
Because
no.
people them come like family.
No, but mother smash.
Yo, you that smash.
Smash over there.
Natasha.
But me have to pass Natasha. Natasha I'm a G, so.
Why?
But the other one name. Oh, come. Would you smash or pass Bieber?
Me feel like that face I give answer. Me feel like that face I give answer.
I can't bother with life.
Also.
I have to go pass. Not because of how she looks, she's really attractive, but I have to pass for other reasons. So, yeah. But come on, I don't know how I think go.
Oh yeah, look for me.
Hold on, make a car pass. Hold on, I would run out of man. We don't have no more man for.
You have mega.
Oh, blur it neat.
The other photographer?
Yeah, the brother will edit. Would you smash or pass, Mega?
I would pass.
Oh my god.
You know, I think Mega start ask why.
Pass.
Why? No, hold on, and answer one. Would you smash or pass? Yes, truly.
Yeah,
Mr. Lawrence.
about 3 times already.
But you don't answer. Come on.
Have you answered that again?
Wait, you want to pass? I don't want to hurt my feelings. Smash. So, alright. Good. Oh, my turn? Would I smash? We can't left out Jutta. But yeah, my turn again.
Tiffy.
No, my turn again. You pass, you just smash me, so you ask me now.
Yeah, Peter, Lord, so me do that.
Yes, look how you're nice, woman. I want to smash.
If you Tori. You have Tori, you have Shine.
Yeah. But what the other girl the name? Would you smash or pass Tori?
They keep on having the same answer. Them answer different.
What if I say I'm not smashing at, must I go smashing at the next video? Yes, I would smash Tori.
Why?
I would smash.
Why?
I would smash.
Why would you smash?
I have no particular reason.
Why?
No, but I pass not the last one. You make me say that a while ago. I would pass. Tori, I'm a general. Tori, I'm a
This
general.
one is the truth. You would smash her.
Would smash. Hold on, your time now. Get to you to suffer a long time. Get to you to suffer a long time. Would you smash or pass? Juta.
Alright.
Get to you to suffer. What?
Pass. I'll pass.
Pass, Juta. I feel like run out of smash and pass, you know. Just should I smash?
Okay.
You should I smash?
You said on camera. And smash and get a fist.
Smash and get a fist.
Everybody say you smash me.
So, anything you want to say to the people then before we go? So that's Honey's mommy, people. If you never watch the movie, go check it out. Where is Honey? What do you want to say to the people?
Yes, guys. You can follow me on Instagram at officialyaniboo_32 and on YouTube at keepupwith_yanyan. Yeah.
You have content over there? You have video upload over there?
Just do something I have over there for now.
Oh.
For now.
We need to post more video.
Yeah, it may come out later now then something. So guys, yeah, thanks for the support all over. Let's continue to like, comment, share and support Akeem and all of it. Big up on yourself.
Hear that?
Yo, boy, right quick.
So football, more and play there. I'm there with for everybody.
Here's some of the sea why Jackson done I if I call him, I'm going to
I'm more Friday, so I call him much about him.
Jackson! Jackson!
Hey, we are David. You know, see, I'm not telling me see over here some football we are going to play, so come on.
You know, so I go ask my grandma first week for me, so I come.
Yup, right there is where my patience ran out. So it's kind of difficult, guys. Like we control them and we prevent. Like that took me almost 20 minutes to shoot. That small clip there, 20 minutes. So yeah, my patience ran out and I needed some help, but I never have any because never have any. So what I decided I'm gonna do now is just film some behind the scenes from Richard Brown films, so you guys can be entertained by that. So yeah, I'm gonna get to some BTS.
Where you come from?
Oh, in Nightown.
So you just go in Nightown and you tell me say you go in Nightown?
This is where me didn't tell us that I go in Nightown. But I tell us that I go in Nightown, you sure?
No? So you go in Nightown go do?
Me just go to buy something, but I woke up in a one girl, I know something about the line now.
So when are you back?
I don't know people things, they must say I go beach and so, I don't know why.
Alright, I'm sorry about that again because of different things.
Jesus.
I'm sorry about that again. No, I'm sorry.
A girlfriend book up now, girlfriend.
So, when are you back?
People things.
But no, you can't tell people things.
The girlfriend!
Oh, yeah.
One of your girlfriend asks you for whatever.
Tell them.
Whatever. Come again, I'll ask her again, ready. So when are you back?
My girlfriend something.
Just mine and you're not supposed to see me.
But now I can't nobody know when I figure it come.
My God, so what that again? I'm done. I'm feeling it. Ready now. Ready now. Don't that sound. Go back to your mind, whatever. Ready. Oh. Mind your things on if you come in here, you know.
No, sir, no one cannot for nobody coming like that.
Yeah, good. Alright, so we say about that. And then after you say you wouldn't cannot for nobody, she need to find one way to get him out of the house. So I'm going to tell him say.
Get up and go sit down on the bed.
See if you get up and sit on the bed. And tell him so.
No, just move this and move around the room. So
I think I get him out. You want to get him out of the house?
I'll get him out, man.
Alright. You say that again here. So I'm not moving cannot for nobody belong to nobody in the house. Alright, so let's say last part here, Alton. Ready? You know, you said to her, like that thing going on.
But,
alright, just make sure.
Go on, jiffy story, man. Make a story, but not like when stories are confirm and so nice and neat. Ma, come right here, so. Come talk to me right here, so. You can't come right here, say, no. We know that now move yet, you know. Come right, Scott, enough. Like you just come, let you put in the bag.
Me done here, Richard.
Go on the house hot. You know what I mean?
Ready before me get the motor hot and start.
Alright, make you just say the last part then.
And then get up.
We know you say to her.
Just make sure. Man, I carry my house or nothing. Is there anything we feel in here? Anything we carry in here, have work and turn in here?
Right.
That way.
Put back the bag up ready there. Alright, so that's Alton, ready?
Just mind, not, your cat not not supposed to come in here, you know.
No, the car not like that. Nobody like that coming here. Oh, God.
You don't move straight, so. Get up back and then walk over to this one. Wait, sit first.
Come give my massage here. Yeah.
Alright, ready. Don't move.
That's something that we have played. Turn it down.
Tell them
more. Let them play. Turn it down. More, yo. Set. You go tell them set you on so.
Make sure go.
No, make sure go. So you go. You sit down the same way and come on so. And I think you want to give a massage.
Alright,
so why you massage you know?
Like a watch her.
We could have make some bam and contact you. You know, I think say that night.
So you want to give me a minute?
No, I talk to her to the way.
Where do you see when I go? Where that come in? Where that come in?
But that's tough one, you understand? I'm not come to you so I can come here so. Just come on here so. And contact him for you so like. Make it just seem like.
Alright, just go back right there. Alton, start walk for instance, Alton, watch you all the way around.
But what everything you do, you want to chat to him about everything you do. You want him turn on, so you make him turn on to give him a massage. Alright?
Wait, Alton, wait. Curve again. Start, come back for instance. Ready now, action. Action. Hey, get up, Alton. Oh, get up. Tell me now, get up. Oh, get up.
No,
go again.
Happy?
Yeah, come on again. Get out, watch her go and laugh. Come on.
Alton, stop.
Come on, let's do laughing. Come back.
Don't make me feel this again.
Come back again.
God.
Ready now?
Slap it by hand.
Ready now, action.
No slapping, nowhere like that.
Ready.
So, pop, way more than fright, yeah.
That's true.
Come now, ready now.
Alright, time right, so you got wipe off.
Yeah, no, wipe off yourself. No, you tell.
Right.
Come give a massage.
Go right, sir. Go right, sir. So turn the face now. You wipe off yourself again and then tell him to come and give a massage. You need to ready. Hold on. And action.
Show come give a massage.
Where that part?
Kind of pay me no mind.
Where that go? You want the altar and dump for no reason.
You not pay me no mind. You didn't start looking at your phone. Brogan,
Richard Brown and
stop
Jamie,
stress me out. Stop stress me out.
Protect.
You make me happy and go back
insurance
home
with the
and come back.
you almost get a rough shoulder now.
Come get into the shoulder, man.
Alright. Let me change the angle. Just walk over.
I'm in character, you know.
Just walk over to him and give him a massage.
But you come and get it for me.
Alright, come on. what you just that. That's the supposed to take so long.
Yeah.
And you have seen a character we have to see him for.
I'm
No,
not
listen,
giving
him not pay no mind, just turn him back. Just hold him and twist him round.
Me go do it hard so me have to go still make him cry.
No matter, just stay in a character, don't come out. Alright. So you say the same thing again. Go back out and say the same thing. You want one shot. Ready? Action, ready?
I'm trying to make you a mustache.
Nobody do it hot, you know.
No,
You
no,
put more
no.
on you. Oh, you want me to stand up?
Nah, listen up.
For you come back and
Want to turn him round. So it's straight, son.
Turn round, so.
No, you just turn him.
Turn it up. I'm going to put a foot up on it, man.
So, yeah, if you turn this big house, you see him big?
Turn on, yeah. Turn on,
big
yeah.
house.
Can't see if it hold it. Altan, spin up no Altan.
Wait.
No, don't move. While she get till she come, then Altan, you turn yourself.
Move the phone, Vanessa.
So while she come, you just turn
You
while
can't
she
move them
turn.
while she tell them move. Just move them and say,
Right.
go turn.
Alright, come. You just turn and listen.
And take time with your shoulder. Take time with your
Yes, said a word.
shoulder. Live up.
Come on, live up your children. Ready?
Live up now.
I mean, you say massage, but you
Don't want
massage.
it. Ready?
That me say me no like say the word, bro.
Ready now.
You can't say.
Action.
Ready?
Alright. Check come give you a massage.
Take time with my shoulder, you know. Take time, man. Take time.
Right, that's all.
Come now, man. We are. Take time. Go down more. Yeah.
You never hear what you sound like right now?
You can't. Come now. Take time. Alright, yeah.
You can go buy some meat for cook.
Stay right this way. Everybody had putting it away.
Wait man, the white sauce.
How many things you don't say it like that? We have to come back and tell him again curious.
You don't come back and tell me. Wow.
The first time.
You never tell me nothing the first time. I said one time you tell me.
Then how we spend that years? Whoever takes your life.
No, you never tell me nothing the first time. You never tell me nothing. So me want come here
Here we work.
Stop me up.
We are go.
We can't turn this on a little bit.
No, you can't turn on. Send him out. Send him out. You go get up now.
Come man, go buy the meat and
Come back, massage him again.
This is
you
the
have
last
money to
part.
buy your meat.
No man, you have your money, man.
Massage him.
Go buy your meat.
Buy some meat you want to cook.
Come, go back and massage him and tell him again.
Step back here already said.
Oh, me heard this a while ago.
You did the pan the side there.
Ready, Anthony? Come ready.
Hey, yeah, make me massage this boy if you not need, you know. And Altan not pay me.
Oh man, one of the different.
Ready?
Yeah man, two different one side. No matter, ready now, me too. Ready now, curious.
Take time, man. Come right this way. Yeah.
You can go buy some meat for cook.
Huh?
You can go buy some meat for cook.
What kind of meat?
Chicken back anyone.
You don't want a chicken back, you know. Me go buy it still. I'm not tired for them chicken back.
I love chicken back.
It's too dear for you.
You just say that, yeah. Attention, wait just say whatever.
How much more
you love chicken back and then him out tell us
how much more
chicken back. Dear, you know.
$1.95.
Come back, almost
What
15
the
price.
tin
How much tin mackerel? Tin mackerel cheaper? Tin mackerel cheaper?
105 for tin mackerel or 110.
Tin mackerel,
Yeah.
120, 130.
But chicken back cheaper.
Alright, come now.
Ready now,
Alright,
run.
say the same thing. So you love chicken back and then Altan say chicken back. Dear, now ready now, action.
I love chicken back.
Chicken back too dear, man.
Just go buy.
$250 pound to just bone in a shop. Yeah? Can't I manage it.
Then buy mackerel then.
No, sir. Sufferation food. That.
Then go buy the chicken back and stop complaining. You go on like you can buy chicken.
Just nobody drink rum now, because I love rum.
Seriously, you would have come back and come see me turn over.
You know what you do when me come and say turn over.
Very things in lock the door. Just a candy.
Yeah, me see her, me get the bag.
What she give?
One phone and the bag, yeah.
Give me them, give me them. Give the phone then.
What she say you must call her.
Alright, take back to and do the same thing. Give me that. Just
the
ask
phone?
him, say. No, no access. Lock the door. Open back the door and lock the back. And we can access it. One give your area. Alright, ready now on action.
Yeah, just a candy.
Yeah, me see her.
Lock her door. One wine give.
One phone and one and the bag, yeah.
Give me them. So she left her number and
Yeah, she say you must call her. And she need to talk to you.
She okay now?
Yeah, man.
Hold on. Pretend like you're there.
You want there something I'm hoping to see there?
No. The phone is too popular at night though.
Who phone?
You never phone at night already?
Police did have it.
Police use the same phone.
Oh, take off the case.
Sorry.
No, take it like case. Take it like case.
Oh yeah, I want phone like for your members I can. Oh, but yeah, I'll do back over the part there, you say.
Take it like case.
But this I can't use. I said phone, no, people not see phone chick.
Alright.
When I see phone like that.
Just hold up your phone. Just hold the phone big side. Just hold it more. Put your hand more. Come up here.
Yeah.
Alright, ready now.
Yo, Candy. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, everything changed from the plan. So, what more you do? Get me a drive. Just get me a drive, right? But then, where there now? With a Namprel. You know what I mean? Yeah, with a Namprel now, so. They're on the back road. Yeah, man, near to Shaka. Yeah, man. Very near to Shaka. Yeah, man, I'm right outside front side. Yeah, man. That's a back road, man. No, come up on the, but I come up on the next side of the road, though. I don't come on the front road there. There's a back road, I go through one yard, and people pump on the back road. Yeah, so I come up on the garage, I go into the next part, the next road, you know? So I come up on the back road. So I can carry a couple people around there. Yeah. Today, yeah, just organize everybody, call one driver, one getaway driver. I go pick up when I'm bridging and I escape. The next week, we have plan with, work out. You know what I mean? Because I'm going to sell you out or something go down. But him not make it, so I told you alone upon the road. I share the plan, but you know you go. So every plan I do first, that's it. Yeah, I guess the girl tell you that already. Alright then, so yo, do it right now, you know. Because I can't tell you, so someone left out of them people place right now, and it's somebody come right now, so I don't have no time. I'm out and I open. At least I get some change of clothes still, so that will go still. Alright. Yeah man, do it right now. And yeah, wait there. Alright. Make a link to one of my people them and make them wire some money. Just go to the channel part, Babylon can track it. Try make one link there. Make you set the girl up as I get $1 million. You know what I mean? Yeah, the one who come pick up the bag, but she get $1 million. Alright? Alright, cut me a cut. Alright, so yeah, just do it right now. Right now, I'm up on the back road and now I don't want to strand it out there. Alright. Alright, them go sort you out. You hear? You need to get a better man though. Look one here. If I'm not killing this, I'm food up on. You know how you're fat, so.
Alright, walk here. No, sit like you sit before me. This is your turn. Just like it's some shot and you're sitting down. Alright, so first you can go and talk about that.
Did you buy the condom?
No, just go and look for yours attack. Yours attack, just some look at inserts.
Yeah man, so this that. and XYZ. Yeah, so the girl, what they are, let's get $1 million. Yeah, man. Let's carry $1 million come give her because she will do the work and things. You know what I mean? So, your mama, cut me and cut, you know.
Alright. So, we are going.
The mom pick me up. What I say now? You buy a condom? Because that $1 million bill for you already, you know. $500,000 could have depend it because long time in the front. What you say?
No man, I never buy condom. I never buy it. I never remember. I told me they busy with
You do your test regular?
Of course. But no man, go on man. We don't have to do none of them something.
You don't want $500,000?
No man, you can keep it off. We get one already.
Alright.
Alright.
I'm going dead poor.
Mr. Brown, I don't get time I can get a chance in the show, so just tell me, just give me one summary of the scene where you just shot a while ago.
The movie is a comedy, jailbreak, so we just add all type of scenario in it. So this is just one part of the scenario. Come back for you, make it check.
And this the scenario is the jailer, they're in the man's house and...
find one money, so one bag of mix up. You have to watch if you see what I so. Sit down back. Come back.
Oh my god, them down again.
So yeah, that has been some behind the scenes for you guys with Richard Brown Films. So as you can see, shooting non-stop. So the man them just find something what them like though and it pay them, so it's like non-stop working. So yeah, that was the behind the scenes for you. So all the persons who are asking about lengthening the short films that are on this channel and all of that can really be something difficult, so like I not even can put one time on it or tell you when I get it completed. And let me just take this opportunity to thank you guys for supporting the whole movement on behalf of Richard Brown Films, because if I'm telling about them just get one of the cameras, Z5 I believe, so yeah, one step at a time. Yeah, one step at a time. So yeah guys, BTS, that has been it. Thank you for tuning in. First time over here, definitely subscribe people. Remember to leave a like on the video and I shall see you very soon. Remember to check out previous content as well. Little more.